May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, regarding a listing of a matter, Lordship, today it was fixed, Lordship, but the matter is not listed. The matter may be come up along with item 24 of today's list, Lordship. Same case that.
When?
Today,
24.
Lordship. 80 days behind the bar, Lordship.
Today?
Today, Lordship. Along with item 24, Lordship.
You try?
Lordship?
You try if possible.
Lordship. Much obliged, Your Lord.
Yeah, Your Lordship. But may I pray for listing of criminal petition, Lordship, on 26th.
Huh? Not 26. 7th.
Can it be on the 2nd of April, Lordship?
Second pie nige? No.
Or
No.
Obliged.
7th of April.
And one more prayer, Lordship. Item 14 and 15 may come up on first of week of April.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. M. Munir.
S.
Munir has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on first week DK April.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 39, Lordship. This item was listed day before yesterday because of paucity of time. May I pray, Lordship, let this matter be taken up at 2, Lordship.
Yes.
Highly obey.
May it please, Lord. Look, yesterday permission was granted for listing a bail mail tomorrow, man. But the mention memo has been somewhere lost, man. So may I pray for my Lord listing same tomorrow?
Yesterday I have given permission. Okay.
Yeah. Similar revision, my Lord, on it to 28 my Lord. However, could directed to let the matter be listed after 1 week. But still to them are not listed. It is a matter of maintenance, my Lord.
DDS 8 April.
May I please, Lord?
8 April.
I beg to mention for listing on criminal revision, a matter relating to maintenance. In 2023, my Lord, landed court below granted 15,000 against the wife and children, my Lord. This honorable court, my Lord, in 2023 allowed 10,000 only, my Lord. I mean, the next week, any date, my Lord.
9th of April.
Too much.
No, I don't have time. Yesterday I have leftover.
Yes.
Day before yesterday I have leftover so many cases. You have heard just now,
Yes.
Mr. Chaudhary.
That is a criminal appeal, my Lord. In 2 years, 4 months in custody. And in next April, my Lord, first week of April.
9th of April.
My Lord.
May I please the Lordship? I beg to mention criminal appeal, my Lord, criminal appeal from conviction to come up for admission, my Lord, on next week, my Lord, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, any date maybe. And any
not next week. 3rd of April. Next week.
and
not
another
possible, not
revision
possible on
petition, my Lord, IA, my Lord, for condonation of delay. One and a half years, my Lord, is pending for condonation of delay, my Lord. Come
Date,
up
April.
my Lord, short date, my Lord.
April,
Last time
shortest date.
Last time it was 1 week time granted, my Lord, to list the matter. 1 week, that means it is complete on 20th, my Lord. Tomorrow.
7th of April.
May I please, your Lord?
Please, Madam. I beg for calling an IA application that has been filed yesterday tagged with item number 9.
May I please, your Lordship? I beg to mention for listing a bail application, Lordship. It is filed yesterday, Lordship. For tomorrow, Lordship, it has already numbered, Lordship.
BA?
Yes, Lordship.
No, not possible tomorrow. 1st of April.
Please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 26. Lordship, CD has not come up yet.
CDS call for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter.
Interim order is there. Interim order is there. Interim may be constant.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
May I please, Lordship? My Lord, we filed one AB, Lordship. CD is called, the petitioner is arrested in the meantime. My Lord, now we have to file BA, Lordship. I am thinking for withdrawal of this application. 2, Lordship.
You try. If possible, then otherwise you list it for tomorrow.
I beg to mention item number 8, Lordship. It is a criminal petition, Lordship, for passing of FIR. And in this regard, Lordship, from the Jalwar PS, CD has been called for many times. But such matter has been just not been received beyond.
It is not received.
Lordship,
Item number 8.
yes, Lordship.
CDS call for is not received. Issue reminder to positively forward the CD on the next date fixed. List accordingly. List after 1 week.
Lordship, after vacation, Lordship.
List after the Bihu holidays.
Lordship, since CD has to come, Lordship, that may be fixed. Otherwise, that will be a problem, Lordship.
23rd April.
Yes. Deeply open.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a regular bail application. Tomorrow matter.
I even won't ask the offense also, not tomorrow, not possible.
Lordship,
First
kindly
April,
on Monday matter. Monday matter.
first April, no. See, if you come at the 11th hour, I cannot help you. Earlier, everybody has taken date for so many cases. So when you come at 11th hour, how can I help you? Come, you have some, leave some time so that I can help you. I also have to help you. I also need some time to help you. If you come at the 11th hour and you keep on insisting, what can I do?
My lord, I beg to mention one regular bail, my lord, the trial is going on more than 4 months is inside the jail, my lord. So, my lord, maybe taken tomorrow or Monday, my lord. as
No,
a-
that is what I given one lecture, 3-line
My
lecture,
lord, my lord. I have.
one paragraph lecture just now.
My lord, I have.
May I please, my lord, I want to mention BA 794 to withdraw. It
BA.
was listed on 3rd April.
Okay, okay.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13.
Mm.
In this case, item additional affidavit. Same has not been tagged. Tagged. One check. One check.
Okay.
Direction may be given to tag the same and the matter may be fixed somewhere on the first week of April.
Learned Council, Miss, what is your name?
L Bunny.
3103 to 13
113.
has submitted that she has filed an affidavit. She has filed an affidavit which is not tagged along with the record. Stop registry to place the affidavit on record. List the matter on 2nd April.
My lord, there was an order of this honorable court to list the matter in the month of February for hearing, my lord, but it was not listed, my lord. Earlier also, these matters came for listing for hearing several times, but did not reach, my lord. Very urgent, my lord. Criminal petition.
On 22nd April.
Yeah, please, Your Lord. With consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 41, Lord. Hearing matter.
41.
41, Lord. Matter may be taken up.
Learned
week of
Council,
April.
yes, taken up with?
ABT of
Huh? When?
first week of April.
April, okay. Learned Council for the petitioner, Mr.
First week.
Ki naam hai? Huh? Ki naam hai?
ABT of
Huh?
ABT.
ABT Hawk, with the consent of the other side, has prayed for adjournment. List the matter on.
Interim may be continued.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Another call, Lord. Prepare for listing a criminal revision petition. Yesterday matter was listed, but my name was not shown in the cause list. Accordingly, I have missed the matter, Lord. It may be taken up on Monday or Tuesday, Lord. My name was not shown.
2nd April.
May I please, Your Lordship? So we are praying for listing a criminal revision petition. Revision directed in conviction, Article 138 NI Act, affirmed by the appellate court below. Can it be on 26th?
3rd of April.
Oblige me.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention two criminal petition for listing. After September 2024, it not been listing.
Date is dated 7th April.
Senior will be not.
Better date 9th.
May I read out?
Mm.
I beg to mention one criminal petition for listing.
Mm.
Last listed on 6/1/25.
Mm.
And any date
Dated read.
on.
All right.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, item number 42. At earlier 4 occasions was listed lordship, but not hard lordship. Can it be a 2 lordship?
Yes. Yes.
Published.
After 2. At 2 days one matter, then after 2 immediately
Lordship,
after that
lordship.
matter will hear you.
Published, lordship. Published.
May I please, Lordship?
Mm.
Lordship, I beg to mention anticipatory bill 2559 for listing, Lordship.
2nd April.
Lordship, it's very urgent. Today we did the filing actually. It's urgent.
You are not arrested. It's an anticipatory bail. Bail application I could not accommodate.
Oblige, Lordship. I'm paying for listing of the criminal petition on next week. Lordship. Any date on next week?
No, not on next week. 3rd of April.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention a bail application for tomorrow, your lordship.
Item 1.
Lordship,
This is in 483 bail application. The accused has been behind the bar for 47 days. And the alleged sections are 103 clause 1 of DNSS.
Call for the CD, list the matter on. We'll need the CD.
Yes, Your Worship. TPO.
Item 2. Item Item
Rakhi
3.
Lordship, today is 58th day of judicial custody. The accused is
15 day, 1-5.
No, 50.
50.
Lordship, he was produced before the learned magistrate on 31. Lordship. The IO has made a prayer for a police remand. That prayer was rejected. And since that day, he is in judicial custody, Lordship. And there
108 is abatement to suicide.
Yes.
We'll need the CD, abatement to suicide. One person has died. Call
And
for the CD, list the matter on.
any shortage there possible, Lordship.
1st April.
Item 4.
My lord, may I pay for my disposal of the case, my lord, at this moment, stage, lordship. Lordship consider the, my lord, period bail of other accused, lordship.
Under which section?
Interim was my lord, son lost FIR, my lord, against the father, lordship, and other family members, lordship.
Under which
Father
section?
was arrested, your lordship has taken the matter, lordship. Kindly see the FIR, lordship. Kindly see the FIR, my lord, at page 11, lordship. My lord, in paragraph, my lord, T of the order, your lordship, observed, lordship, there is no overact against accused, lordship, except accused number 1, lordship. He has been already arrested, lordship. Your lordship declined to
Please read the FIR.
FIR, lordship, yes. My lord, accused number 4 is the father, lordship. Informant is the son, lord. My lord, with due respect, I the complainant humbly submit that I have an ongoing land dispute with the accused. The said dispute is currently under trial in the Nalbari district. Taking advantage of this on the evening of 17th.
You are a father. You are a father.
Father, lordship.
Why you are taking side with your other children?
My lord, my lord, just
How many days you are behind bars?
32 days, lordship.
Okay, then
1
you
month.
can dispose of father taking side
Yes,
with
Lord.
other brothers. Our learned counsel. This is not fair, but
No.
this is not fair.
My lord, Sam family.
You
lordship.
should not take side with other brothers. Our learned counsel, Mr.
M.H.
Hussain.
Ahmed.
M.H. Ahmed for the petitioner. Noor Muhammad Ali, who has filed this application under section 483 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for bail, as he is behind bars for since how many days?
18
Since
to 2020. My lord,
18
32
to
days.
18 to
30 days. I'm sorry, lord. 30 days.
18 to 2025 in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. Heard Mr. D.P. Goswami learned additional PP Assam. The petitioner has prayed for bail on the ground of parity, as the other accused have also been enlarged on bail. As the co-accused, as his co-accused have also been enlarged on bail. It is submitted that it is admitted that there is a land dispute between the petitioner and his family members. Petitioner and the informant between the petitioner, his family members and the informant. It is further submitted that the petitioner is the informant's son. I have considered the submissions at the bar. I have considered the length of detention. I have also considered the prayer on the ground of parity. The petitioner is a middle-aged man, aged about 52 years. The petitioner has also pledged to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation. Considering all aspects, petition is allowed. The petitioner is enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the Amingaon.
Lordship, this is Nalbari, lordship.
Albury.
Mokolma Lordship, Mokolma BS. CGM Albury.
Satisfaction
CGM
of the learned CGM Nolbury under the condition that the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged, and the petitioner shall cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation.
Item 5.
Obliged.
May I please your Lordship? Lordship, this is anticipatory bail application, Lordship, allegation under section 85 corresponding to 498 IPC and 109 corresponding to 307 of the IPC. Lordship, what happened in this case, Lordship? Lordship,
read the FI.
petitioner before your Lordship is a government employee and he has two daughters. He has two daughters, Lordship, and older daughter is pursuing in the net pros in the Super Ajmal Super 40 Lordship. What happened on the date of 1st March? They, their husband and wife, there was an altercation between the husband and wife. And thereafter, the husband lost, then wife lost this FIR and accordingly registered this case. Lordship, that FIR will find page number. It will be very convenient if a particular person is
Okay.
read.
Please read it.
Page 15 Lordship. Married. Honman পূৰ্বক ভাৱে জনাও যে যোৱা 1 মাৰ্চ 25 তাৰিখে মোৰ স্বামী মৃদুল কুমাৰ নাথে মোৰ লগত মোৰ ছোৱালী দুজনী শাৰীৰিক মানসিকভাৱে সন্ধিয়াৰ পৰা বন্ধৰ ৰুমত তিনিওজনীকে ভৰাই ডিঙিছে in fact what happened in this case there in fact what happened in this case there what happened after this filing this Ezahar Lordship, why this informant realized that what she has done.
And under section 482 of the NSS.
Just এসির অলপ দি দিলে ভালো হবে নাকি ইটো মেন ইটো কেন yes it's
Yes. It is a petition under section 482 of the NSS, praying for getting the privilege of PRS bail in connection with a GR case, which is pending before the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Odalguri. Even after having filed charge sheet, I was duly cooperating with the police investigation, and followed by which charge sheet has been filed against me. But as I am hailing from a very poor strata petty family, I had to go to South for my job, engaged there in a fishing, taking so many, suffering during the COVID time. I could not get any information. And I was in the impression that I have been here in the jail.
charge sheet
Charge sheet has been given.
we'll call for the scan copies of the CD.
Not the CD is not required. Charge sheet has been there.
No,
Case is
scan copies of
pending.
the trial court record.
Case is pending for committal proceeding, my lord. Subsequently, what happened? I was then away that my engaged in the fishing industry in South. I could not get any. Even someone has not been charged duly, because someone is seen to be have been charged on my mother, but there is nothing on record to show that mother is there with me.
436
436
sessions table case.
307.
We'll call for the trial court record. We'll grant you bail. There's no problem in granting bail. Sessions table case. Let us get
this is
to
what-
the
Yes,
short date.
Now I'm apprehending that I am not getting any bail there in the.
No, you won't get. I will grant you bail. Let us call for the trial court records. Call for the scan copies of the trial court records along with the scan copies of the CD. List the matter on short date at a video. Second tip.
Ten.
Second April
third
is all
April?
right?
3rd April.
Yes, 3rd April, yes. Timing, all right.
Item number 10 and 11 for admission.
Oh, all of time like.
Wait, please. First, you have a look at page 40, my lord.
10 and 11, two cases for
Two
admission.
cases. Jimma, my lord. Here, my lord.
Jima, Jima what? Arikan artist?
Jimma of a car as well as some oil, my
Car and oil.
oil.
Okay.
solvent part. And so far item number 10 is concerned, it is a oil, my lord. And the next item is the vehicle.
Under the EC Act,
No, my lord, it's under the Petroleum Act.
Petroleum Act kon dia-
Sir,
Did you get the report or anything?
report and the diary was called for that.
My lord, diary we have received, my lord. Report was also called for, my lord. Report is also called for. In this regard, they have stated that, my lord, as because the FSL regarding the product is awaited, my lord. So because of that, my lord, people therefore.
Last time we have granted adjournment on that point, no?
On the-
FSL regarding the
yes,
product is
whether
awaited.
FSL is required or not. The lordship has got that Petroleum Act, my lord.
You want the disposal today or should I?
It's a disposal because the truck is lying there, the oil is lying there. I have the genuine challans and everything.
Why did you get a report today?
Report, it's there in the part of the record, part of the record.
But it could not be ascertained whether it is a petroleum product or not.
Because that was, my lord, awaited, my lord. Can you, my
That
lord,
means you
please-
did not get the report. Awaited meaning you did not get the
My
report.
lord, FSL is pending.
Now question is whether FSL is required in this case. But that's why I'm insisting on the Petroleum Act for a once month. Well, section 7 of the Act. Take it up. Sir. Section 7 of the Act, my lord. No license needed for transport or storage of limited quantities of petroleum class B or petroleum C. But notwithstanding anything contained in this chapter, a person need not obtain a license for transport or storage of petroleum class B in total quantity in which possession of at one place does not exceed 2,500 liters. None of its content in a receptacle exceeding the 1,000 liter in capacity. And two also same, my lord. So license is not required, first of all, my lord.
Okay, license is not
Not
required.
required. Now, lordship may turn to the rules, my lord, for a once. Rule, my lord, 198 in the book.
Just a
itself,
moment.
One. In fact, in my petition also, I have quoted the rules and sections. Rule 198, my lord. May I?
Just a moment.
But
Rule what?
Rule 198 of the Petroleum Rules 2002.
198.
198.
Two 2002.
2002, my lord.
Yes, rule 198.
Now, power to enter, inspect, search and seize. Any officer specified in column 1 of the table below may within the jurisdiction specified in the corresponding entry in column number 2 of the said table enter, inspect and search and place where he has reasons to believe that any petroleum is being imported, transported, stored, produced, refined or blended or is under transport, and inspect all receptacle plants and appliance in connection therewith in order to ascertain if they are in accordance with the provision of the Act or this rule. B, my lord, search of petroleum therein. C, my lord, take sample for testing of any petroleum found therein and make payment by cash for value of sample. D, my lord, seize, detain and remove any petroleum or any material suspected to be petroleum or any equipment or appliance used therein, together with connected documents thereof in respect of which he has reasons to believe that any of the provision of the act or these rules have been contravened. Now, my lord, who can seize, my lord? Lordship will see the list, my lord. Chief Controller of
Yes, yes, I've read it. I've read it.
my lord, the last one, my lord,
Hmm.
police officer not below the rank of an inspector.
Hmm.
So in the instant case, if a lordship goes to the Caesar list, page 18,
Hmm.
page 18, my lord, page 19, my lord, lordship will see, my lord,
Hmm.
the sub inspector has,
Hmm.
so he has no authority, my lord. He doesn't have the power to, my lord, seize this.
So if he doesn't have the power, then
I
we
mean, he
will,
has-
if petroleum is
he has to-
smuggled, then we'll give it back or what?
No, not back, my lord. Now, my lord, in that section, my lord, rule, my lord, 198, 3, my lord,
Hmm.
where whenever any sample are taken in accordance with this rule, they shall be tested in accordance with the relevant provision of the chapter 10 of this. Now, chapter 10, my lord, lordship have turned back to, my lord, rule 186.
This is 3, no?
This is 3. 198, 3, my lord.
186 now.
Now 186, my lord. Drawing of sample, my lord.
Hmm.
In all cases, the sampling officer shall personally superintend the drawing of the sample, and the sample shall be drawn in the presence of at least one witness. Where the sample is drawn from an original, and so, my lord. So it is the what is the procedure for
Or
sampling,
we'll admit it, then we'll admit it.
my lord?
We'll admit it.
My lord, let me admit, but my vehicle is there, my lord. Let the vehicle. What purpose will serve, my lord, the vehicle?
One case is for vehicle and one case is for
For the oil, my lord. For
oil. How many liters of oil?
petroleum, huh? 21 grams
Only
only. And I have genuinely purchased, my lord, all these things.
21 grams. What oil is this?
My lord, this is a thinner, my lord. Industrial solvent, my lord. It is known as industrial solvent.
Okay, what is the value?
Value, my lord, I have annexed it, my lord. Page 22, my lord.
Please place your submission. What is the point of admitting?
2 lakh
Place your
40,000.
submission. Are you ready?
Actually, the subject is something new. I'm just taking.
No, last
Well, I will
question.
tell you only my.
Today, you'll
submission is
finish
there,
it today or you will finish it some other day. We'll dispose it of. What is the point of admitting? We'll dispose it of.
My lord, only here the question is there, my lord. What is it?
21 grams. I don't know. What is the value?
2 lakh 40,000.
Oh my God. Very, very expensive. 2 lakh
No,
40,000.
with GST, my lord. Otherwise, it comes to be little below, my lord. Around
This is
2
used for what purpose?
My lord, it is generally used for industrial purpose, my lord. And
21 grams, 2 lakh.
yes, my lord.
Which is
It is 22, my lord.
Thinner.
Thinner. Painting. It's required.
Oh, now I understand. Now I
That
understand. Yes.
thinner one.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes. I understood.
Generally, these are stored by these, my lord, hardware shops, my lord.
Oh.
And then, as per this act, my lord, no license is required.
So you were carrying in a vessel?
In a truck. A vehicle, yes, in a ultra vehicle.
Ultra vehicle.
Ultra vehicle.
When will you
My lord,
complete your submission?
Here, my lord, only the fact is that, my lord. What is, my lord, in the report, it is stated that FSL is pending, my lord. My lord, because they want to know that.
They have admitted it is thinner.
Thinner.
They have admitted and they have given the valuation also. Okay. So report is pending. When will they send a report?
The report will not come. They are not. FSL is not authorized. It is a testing officer, my lord. They have a separate team out there, my lord.
You want to read 186 for that?
186, my lord.
Please read it.
Before that, my lord. My lord, 186.3, my lord. In case of petroleum impact, it is not required, my lord. In all cases, the sampling officer shall personally superintend the drawing of the sample, and the sample shall be drawn in the presence of at least one witness. Where the sample is drawn from an original unopened receptacle containing petroleum otherwise than in bulk, the opening shall be sufficient to admit the sample being rapidly transferred from the receptacle.
This is not relevant. There may be procedural defects. This
Yes,
is not
sir.
relevant.
Now, your lordship will turn to section 26, my lord.
Section 26.
Section 26, my lord. Power of entry and search. The central government may, by notification in the official gazette, authorize any officer by name or by virtue of the office to enter and search any place where he has reasons to believe that any petroleum is being imported, transported, stored, produced, refined, or blended otherwise than in accordance with the provision of this act and the rules made thereunder, and to seize, detain, or remove any of the petroleum in respect on within which, in the opinion, an offense under this act has been committed. So, this section, in the rule 186, 198, the name of the officers have been given by them.
But what about the chemical FSL report? Whether this product is thinner or not?
My lord, here in my lord, section 26, my lord.
Mm.
In my lord, subsection 2, my lord.
Please read.
The provisions of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973.
Yes, obviously.
Yes, yes.
Obviously.
Yes.
So
Yes,
as
yes.
they are applicable, apply to services by the officer authorized under this section.
Yes.
And if your lordship
But again, there is a section 198
yes,
where it is to be tested.
well, 198.
No, 190 is not where it is to be tested. No.
No, yes, my lord. 198 2, my lord. It says, my lord, wherever any officer other than the chief controller officer, so in the instant case, other than the chief controller, the police, my lord, seizes, detains, or remove any petroleum or any material connected therein or in connected documents thereof under this rule, he shall forward report the fact of by telegram to the chief controller and controller having jurisdiction over the place where seizures, etc., has taken place. And whenever any officer not being the district authority seizes, detains, or remove any petroleum or any material connected therein or any connected documents thereof of this rule, he shall intimate the fact of the case to the chief controller and the controller having jurisdiction. Lordship may go to the diary, my lord, whether that has been done in the instant case.
There may be procedural defects.
Yes, my lord.
But you see, even in NDPS cases also,
Right.
there 52A, it has been upheld recently.
Yes.
That that procedural defect will not cause a dent in the evidence.
Yes. So now the question, the very, my lord, initial point is that, my lord, no license is required. No license is required. No license. Then, my lord, what
Yes.
that's the point, my lord.
You
No
have
license is required. That is the point, my lord.
So, you want to place a submission, we'll hear you then. If you want some time, one day, 2 days,
Because, my lord,
after some time, yes.
go through the entire act, my lord,
Yes.
all provisions.
Yes, after some time in the evening, afternoon,
At 2,
evening, two already 2 matters are fixed for hearing. at
2:30
2.
or 3 o'clock.
No,
Before that.
not possible today because 2 cases are fixed for hearing.
Alu Kaido.
And that those cases are all leftover cases because of the
Then, my lord, on Monday, my lord, tomorrow is Friday.
Monday,
Tomorrow is
Tuesday. Yes, on Tuesday.
Tuesday. My part is over. If any submission is added,
On Tuesday.
Fine.
Yes, I understood your part. Then I can also, if he agrees, I can keep the petrol and give the vehicle. If he agrees, pass the direction to keep the petrol or give the vehicle, or I can fix it on Tuesday.
Fine.
On Tuesday.
On Tuesday.
Okay. Petrol or what it is called thinner.
In the industrial solvent, my lord.
Industrial solvent.
It comes under, my lord, petroleum B category.
Petroleum B.
B, capital B.
Learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. NJ Doctor has placed his submission. দুইটা কেছত লিখি দিবা. Learned, huh? Additional PP, Mr. K. Busher has prayed for time to place his submission. List the matter on. এইটো হেৰি কৰিবা.
Here also, my lord, it's a rejection, my lord, of Jimma, my lord, one track, my lord.
Okay, okay.
Page 21.
At the motion stage or at the hearing stage?
Admission, my lord.
Admission, okay. What do you have?
Report was called for. I think a report, sir.
Report not received. my lord.
Last week before vacation then? Last week before vacation?
কি বস্তু এইবিলাক? Some
Last week before vacation, that will be a motion day, but we can fix it because of the congestion, we'll fix it.
Earlier,
Huh?
call for the report, Lordship.
report.
Not received, not received. That's why I was asking, last week before the vacation,
Yes. Then, my lord, on 27.
yes. Last week before vacation, no. Ho. Not on 20th. Report as a learned counsel, Mr. NJ Doctor is
If
present, learned
After
additional
vacation,
PP,
it will be
Mr. K. Bose is present.
report vacation.
Report as called for. Is not received, issue reminder, list the matter on. Issue reminder to positively forward the report on 7th April. 7th April,
What is the last chance, my lord? They are taking the.
positively. I have noted down
but-
positively.
Finding item 7.
In fact, my lord, my name has not been shown in the cause list, my lord, wrongly, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, I send you call them.
Item number 7.
7, my lord. It is an indisputed bail, my lord. Indisputed bail application.
Ah.
As the allegation, my lord, the facts is that, my lord, the petitioner and the husband of the informant, they work in a brick lane, my lord, as a labor, my lord. The petitioner paid rupees 40,000 to the husband of the informant to hire labor, my lord. But neither labor were supplied nor, my lord, the money was returned, my lord. So when the petitioner went to the house of the informant, my lord, some argument took place between the husband and informant and the petitioner. And my lord, this false affair was lodged, my lord, against the petitioner. In fact, the
Husband, wife.
no, my lord, not husband, wife, petitioner and husband of the informant. They are friend, okay, and work in a brick lane, my lord. So the allegation here is that, my lord, in fact, the offense is also not attracted under the section, my lord, which has been registered here. That is a rape case, my lord. Offense,
We'll need the CD, no? It's a rape case, we'll need the CD.
my lord, Lordship, may can you come to page number 11, the Farnakula
FIR. Yes,
FIR, my
please read the
my
FIR.
lord. সম্ভাব্য বৃন্দ নিবেদন এই যে যোৱা ইংৰাজী 9/1/25 তাৰিখে ৰাতি অনুমান 10টামান বজাত মোৰ স্বামী ঘৰত নথকা অৱস্থাত মই ঘৰৰ পৰা বাহিৰৰ বাথৰুমত প্ৰস্ৰাৱ কৰিব কৰি ঘূৰি আহি
Okay, okay. Learned counsel, Mr.
এনে ইছলাম
M.A. Islam is present for the petitioner. Ekdom beginning or likhi diba. Registry to reflect the name of learned counsel, Mr. M.A. Hussain, who has filed wakalat nama, no?
Mal.
In connection with this case.
Good.
Silo bari wakalat nama asan na silo.
Lordship, 483 application in connection with Narayanpur PS case number 6/2025. Your Lordship will find right portion of the FIR is page number 12, Lordship. From the face of the FIR, Lordship, it reveals that, Lordship, the petitioner and the Lordship.
You have the CD?
Yes, yes. And
Where is the FIR? Page 12.
page 12.
Please read.
With due respect, back to state that the aforesaid accused person takes me on his bike to the examination center for appearing my final year higher secondary examination in the year 2023. He took the opportunity to propose to me. After accepting his love proposal, he took me around.
Yes, yes.
The humble submission of the informant is that my niece, namely Jamila Khatun, aged about 22 years, daughter of late Nurul Haq, has lost her parents since her childhood. Later on, I took her at my home and brought up her, and at about 5 years ago, she entered into marriage with the accused number one, yet she is the mother of 4 years male child. It is a matter of regret that after her marriage, we came to know that he is an earlier married person, and since after marriage, all the accused persons tortured my niece both physically and mentally by demanding dowry. The accused number one also assaulted her frequently. Suddenly, on 10 to 2025, at about 2:30 p.m., the accused number one over telephone informed that yesterday my niece consumed poison and their family members took her at Nagarbera Medical and fall us at Nagarbera Medical. Though immediately I, along with my family members, went at Nagarbera Medical, but till our arrival at Nagarbera, the doctors, after seeing the critical condition of my niece, referred her at
Okay,
Guwahati.
okay.
My lord, this is there is
Okay,
no-
just a moment.
Hello, police has seized one empty packet of poison of red color packet.
And then viscera
And-
report has been sent.
And then the PM report is not available here.
Hmm.
And with status concerned, they have said that between the husband and wife of their lordship. Demand of jury, they are not saying anything against. And their family members are saying that yes, there is demand of jury and frequent quarrel between the husband and wife. lordship.
This is dowry date, 80.
Mile. But no dowry demand is available. No specific dowry demand is there. My lord, 36 days. For rest of the index,
How many days?
36 days.
No,
My lord,
you're the husband.
my lord, I am the husband.
Accused number one.
Accused number
No.
only one accused my lord.
No.
Only perhaps better evidence will not come, my lord. Yes, because the neighbor kindly vital, neighbor's statement is vital. Perhaps the neighbor did
Should
not
we
know.
send it back and wait for FSL report, or should I reject it?
My lord, for PM report, my lord. PM report.
Our learned counsel, Mr. M.I. Hussain, no?
A Paramani.
A.
Paramani.
Poramanik for the petitioner. Noor Alam, no?
Nur Alam.
Noor Alam. She heard, full stop, heard learned additional PP, Mr. D.P. Goswami for full stop. CD is received without the FSL report, send back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD along with the FSL report, no?
PM report also.
Without the PM report and FSL report, send back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD along with the PM report and the FSL report, list on 9th April.
Highly lovely.
Item 18.
নাই লগা ঠিকে আছে একদম ঠিক মানে সাউন্ড ওলোৱা নাই ন ফেনটোৰ কাৰণে ফেনটো ডিষ্টাৰ্ব কৰিছে না ফেনখন নামাৰি
May I please?
Yes, yes.
My lord, perhaps the case diary is not available, my lord.
Do you have the case diary?
No,
It
Lord,
looks
is-
like not
it is
available, I
from,
think.
my lord, Dispur police station, and it is the third date, my lord, and the police is so reluctant, my lord, they are not sending the CD as juvenile is under, my lord, jail custody, my lord. My lord, it is an admitted fact, my lord, now it is nearly about more than 30 days, he is behind the bar, and the girl has also been recovered, my lord, and the police till date has not interrogated the accused petitioner before, my lord, going to the jail also. So, my lord, perhaps the further custodial detention may not warrant any fruitful result, my lord.
What is the section, under which section?
87 of the BNS, my lord.
We need.
My lord, may kindly appreciate the police, my lord, when the father went there, my lord,
He is 18 years old.
my lord, yes, both, my lord, the accused on the day of occurrence was 17 years, 11 months, 26 days.
No, but it's written 18 years here.
No, on the day of filing of the application.
Then this petition won't lie. He's a juvenile, no?
No, he is a juvenile, but on the day of filing of
No,
this
you have to.
on the day of filing of the application, when we approved
No,
this,
no, no.
my lord.
It's the day of the offense. It's the day of the offense, not the day of filing
But
of
my lord,
petition.
he is now under the police custody and not sent to the any state home or something like that, my lord. Is in the jail as well, that, my lord,
Then
Lakharam.
he is not a juvenile. Otherwise, if he's a juvenile, he will be forwarded to observation home. Huh? Yes, yes.
By Monday, my lord, from
Yes.
this poor, my lord.
No, not Monday, not Monday.
My lord, he is more than 30 days now already behind the bar, my lord.
27, on 27th.
My lord.
Serious call for is not received. Issue reminder list to positively forward the CD on 27th. 27th 4 or 27th 3.
3.
Item 19.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship kindly matter may be taken after some time. After some time.
Wait, please hold on. The case involved 103 BNS, my date.
You have the CD?
81
103
days.
BNS, huh?
81 days.
We'll need the case there. 103 BNS. এইটো হেৰি 81 days 88 days লৈকে দি দিয়া 88 days হোৱাকে CDS call for is not received issue reminder list the matter on 27
Highly on that.
Item 21.
Yeah, lordship is behind the bar. Today is 30 days. Lordship. 87 BNS 612 6299 351.
please read the FI
FIR is page lordship. Page 9 lord.
page please read
With the due respect, I beg
এইটো
to
বন্ধ
state
কৰি দিয়াচোন এইটো হেৰি কৰিব লাগিব বন্ধ কৰি দিব লাগিব
Your lordship, CD was not received and its order may be given.
CDS call for is not received issue reminder list the matter on নালাগে
Interim may be continued.
interim order shall remain in force till then
Your lordship, can it may be 4th of April.
বিহুৰ পিছত দি দিয়া
Yes, your lordship.
Item 28.
April. Lordship, CD was called for.
have you received the CD
Yes.
yes
Lordship, FIR is page lordship 9. Very fair. With due respect, I have the order to inform you that on 7th, my sister Poppy Hazarika informed me via phone that she was going from Bongao, Majuli to Borpeta route. Again, yesterday on 25/11/2024, evening at about 6 p.m., I talked with my sister via phone and I came to know that she stayed at Borpeta route. But today at about 1:30 p.m., I got information through the phone that my sister's dead body was found near
okay
Chimbaluri.
you are arrested
No,
AB.
AB okay
He is the husband of the kidnapper. Okay, deceased.
oh husband of the deceased okay
Lordship, on that day I was on Guwahati. Lordship, I am a private, I am a driver and I drive a private car. On that day I was on Guwahati. Lordship.
what do you have
FSL report is the positive test for no poisonal detected in the report.
and
And other
what is the PM report
PM report is waiting for the FSL report. No injury markers there also.
there were no injury marks
No injury mark. And in neck, no ligation mark detected around the neck also.
and then no poison also
No poison.
so now
Allegation is he is searching, police is searching him. And he is
what is the reason of his death then what is the reason of her death pending for but now they have received
the FSL, but reason is not clear here. So we have to select the city for the reason.
okay you send back the CD
With the
the FSL report has been received the post-mortem report reveals that the opinion on death was awaited for FSL report send back the CD call for the up-to-date CD list the matter on short date দিব লাগিব
Lordship,
3rd April
Third?
3rd April not May
Lordship,
April
before it, Lordship, actually,
Not
it is
possible.
talking, Lordship.
Item 29.
3rd April because this is AB
Lordship.
His diary was called for, my lord, and interim order is there, my lord.
Case is not received.
CD has called for is not received. You did not receive CD?
Lordship, not received.
Issue reminder, list the matter on. Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Item 30.
30, do you have the CD?
You have not received the case, right?
CD has called for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on. Interim 9.
May I please your
4th of
lordship?
April. Huh?
Lordship, I have two quick submission, my lordship.
See why you waste time?
Lordship,
Two dates.
Finally, can't you allow myself?
You were not given 2 dates. You were not given interim bail. So what is the point of wasting time today?
You are also.
Oh.
Pending item 19.
Maybe. My lord, the victim has already been recovered and a statement also been recorded, my lord. And as on date, my lord, 36 days in custody.
You have received the case by lordship. Case by reveals the material against the petitioner lordship. They have made a plan for to kidnap the person and demanding money lordship. But due to some communication gap, it was not fulfilled. Otherwise, victim identified the place where he was kept in kidnapped. The place of the petitioner lordship. And the
Where is the FIR?
FIR lordship will find at page 8, my lord. Now, a specific phone number is given, my lord. From that particular phone number, my lord, ransom was demanded. Now, whose phone number it is, my lord? The investigation can reveal it, my lord.
main person was from Canberra lordship. The Canberra instructed him to do these things. And another two fellows were there, lordship, two accused.
Now, lordship, kindly see, my lord, para 4 of my petition, my lord.
Just a moment. I'm just checking the offense. These are BNS sections. I'll have to keep on checking over and over again.
One 142, my lord, kidnapping.
Hmm.
My lord, punishment is death or life. And 3082, my lord, extortion, 7 years. 351 to criminal intimation. Yes.
Please read the FIR.
With due respect, my lord, page 8, my lord.
Yeah.
With due respect, I beg to state that last on 23/1/2025, Thursday night at about 10 p.m., my brother, namely Suroz Prasad Sharma.
Just a moment. Just. He will see too. Send it, yeah. Yes. Yes.
With due respect, I beg to state that last on 23/1/2025, Thursday night at about 10:11 p.m., my brother, namely Suroz Prasad Sharma, son of late Mandapur Sharma, village so and so, PH so and so, district so and so, along with one Adivasi boy, namely Suros, have been kidnapped by one unknown gang from Raimona area, 6 number right Tapu, due to missing of my brother in the last night. While we were searching today morning at about 11 a.m. on phone call has come from my brother's mobile number, so and so, and demanded to and some rupees 60,000 and hidden 6 lakhs and threatened my brother if fails to pay within a day, they kill him, and also threatened me if I inform to the police or any other person, they will kill me or family person and also ruin our buffalo shelter. Now, Lordship, kindly see my statement in
That both
paragraph.
have been recovered. Your brother and that
Recovered.
that you're not your brother. That
Victim has been recovered.
informant's brother and one more. There are two boys, no?
Yes,
One Adivasi boy. He's been recovered.
they have been recovered. That's
He has identified this person.
This person and where they have kept in
The place also.
and the voice was they have identified. And he also admitted the fact of it that so that plan made by another person and after execution of the plan, he will divide the money.
He got the ransom.
No, that is not. It was not. The plan was not executed during the day. During the in the
Misunderstanding. And why did he release the victims?
because they don't not released, but victim
Escaped?
escaped.
Or police found him?
Police found them. Main plan was made by one another person, Kendra.
Kendra. We are not Kendra. Now, Lordship, kindly see for a moment, blood.
He is the associate with the
Police found him. Police found him in the
two persons, not all persons.
Basically, Mulad, he is suspected to be involved. Now, Lordship, kindly see for a moment, Mulad.
He's been identified.
Now,
He's been identified.
the victim as well as the Mulad petitioner went for grazing their cows in the particular area because they are is known to each other.
How did they escape?
That part is not here in the case there.
The police will note investigation time. This during when they just before the statement of the victims, you'll find a note of the police. How did they escape, or how they were released?
They had made a separate sheet with the statement of the victim.
Just before the stay. Okay. Let me see the CD.
Segment.
Hmm?
Segment, all of it. All the it.
They received a secret message about the victims that were kept hiding. Then they went and then they were locked inside the house. Police, that IO, they were locked inside the house. Then the IO released them.
recovered from the place.
Yeah, recovered from that house.
From whose house, my lord? Not from the petitioner's house, because he has been picked up from his house yesterday.
Batan house of Ajit Prasad. I don't know what is Batan house. Batan house of Ajit Prasad.
But the Apollos are, my lord, used to dress.
But in this, I
Right leg of the victim Surya Sharma was tied with left leg of the other victim Lokeram Murmu by a chain made of steel, locked by a Chinese type of lock.
one ionotic there that he has identified all those bags and stuff in the picture.
Then they were taken to a welder who who broke the lock.
Now the miscreant who, my lord, kidnapped, they fled away. And we are the, my lord, similarly situated person like the victim. We went for also, my lord, grazing of our cows and buffalo.
No.
In the particular area.
No, not in the city. I won't mention what is in the city against you.
And later, but his statement is there.
In any case, my lord, 39 days, 36 days in custody, my lord, and considering the progress of the, my lord, investigation, since victim recovered, my lord, no further investigation record custody.
So that statement you will get the statement of the victims. So when they came to know that the police heard about this incident,
When the police searching, my lord,
they fled.
yes.
These two boys fled and they went to Bantham house of Ajit. And then that in Ajit's house, they cannot go any further because legs were tied together.
Yeah.
Two legs were tied together. So with chain tied, bound together with chain. And then this welder came and released them.
Petitioner is, my
One
lord,
place they fled.
petitioner is, my lord, Ripon Nursery.
So I don't think they deserve bail.
I leave it to your lord.
Not at this stage, at least.
Sufficient materials are there.
Mm-mm.
I leave it to your.
Let the investigation proceed more. Only this person was arrested.
My friend says, my lord, another 3%.
One of the persons,
Arrested.
statement is not there. Yeah. But as part of police law, this reform is before. Another one is. So at this stage, investigation maybe progress.
At this, not at this stage.
Well,
Maybe later. Heard learned counsel Mr. M.E. Mondal for the petitioner, Ripun Nazari Lepo, who has filed this application under section. You are behind bars for how many days?
36 days.
36 days. 483 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for bail. As is behind bars since 24/1/2025. As is behind bars for 33 days, लिखित यार 12/2.
It is wrongly written, my lord.
Huh?
It is wrongly written, my lord.
12/2 is
Page
wrong.
14, yes. He is in custody since, my lord. Yes, 12/2/2025.
12/2/2025 in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections. Third, Mr. DP Gusami Learned Edition PP Assam. The allegation against the petitioner is that he, along with his gang, kidnapped 2 boys and held them hostage for a ransom of rupees 60,000. Full stop. Money was demanded through a mobile number 7029-742801. And the victim's father was also threatened that the kidnapped victims will be killed if the money is not paid. The Learned Additional PP has submitted that there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. I have also scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. Investigation is still under progress. At this juncture, petition with prayer for bail is rejected. Send back the CD.
At this stage.
At this stage, yes.
Developed.
Finding item 23. Let me lordship, remember in that case, my lord, that advocate once came before lordship, my lord.
Advocate's case, yes. Same case.
No, same case, but he's not advocate. He is behind the bar, my lord.
But we have called for the case diary.
Yes.
This is that case, not that case. We'll need the case diary.
Already, my charge sheet, part charge sheet also filed on 123 days. Bhagata custody required. Everything is done, my.
10 copy of copy.
Or scan copies. We have not received the scan copies.
Huh?
We have not received the scan copies. We'll have to wait.
It is here, my lord. I mean,
we will call it.
Next Tuesday, my it is here, my lord. We will also try to, my lord, get it back, my.
Next Tuesday.
Next Wednesday, my.
On Thursday, not on Tuesday. Learned Senior Counsel, Mr. H.R. Chaudhary is present. Office note dated 18/3/2025.
Tomorrow is also fixed another case on the same matter. Scan copy. Out of same.
This case?
Out of, yes.
Same FIR?
Same FIR.
What?
Yes.
Case number? Police case number?
Number 708 lot.
No. Police case number, Goromari PS case number?
128 lot.
Same case?
Same
Then we'll fix it tomorrow.
Yes, that will be better.
Scan copies of the trial court records and CDS call for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on Kali Didia. If same case, then we can take it up, no problem. CD is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on. Interim order shall remain in force till then. CD Naipur.
Item 32.
May please your lordship. Lordship, this is a pre-arrest bail application, lordship. Entire case is based on documentary evidence, lordship. I am the agent.
Up to sometime.
Item 33.
33 lawsuit, as per lawsuit, earlier order petitioner appeared before IO, recorded.
We have the CD?
He has appeared.
Huh?
Statement recorded.
You are on interim bail?
Interim.
Our learned counsel, Mr. L. Gogoi, for the petitioner. Dujan ase, huh? Petitioners, namely 1 and 2, who have filed this application under section 480 of the BNSS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as they are apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. You have paid the money?
Look.
Hard learned additional PP, Mr. DP Goswami, who has submitted that CD is received. The and, the CD reveals that the petitioner has appeared before the IO and his statement has been recorded. To stop, the learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the petitioner has paid rupees entire money 4,59,998.
Some of 5 years, some 6. Entire money. Plus,
You have paid the entire 4,59,998 to the informant.
Plus.
You have paid it.
Paid.
Has paid to the informant. I have also scrutinized the case diary. The petitioner has not violated any bail condition and has cooperated with the investigation. Thereby, the interim order dated 7/3/2025 is hereby made absolute. Send back the CD.
public.
Item number 34 and 35.
You have the CD?
Yes, sir. May it please your lord.
Uh-uh.
My lord, there are two petitions, my lord, arising of the same affair. Lordship may take up item number 34.
Mm.
May I read the affair?
Yes, yes.
Affair is at page number 17.
Mm.
May I read, my lord?
Yes, yes.
I would like to inform you that the below mentioned miscreants and goons attacked me, my son, namely Tanzil Hussain, and my security personnel on 20th February 2025 at Rupohihar under Nagaon district of Assam while I was going to attend a meeting at Rupohi Notun Bazar. The miscreants and goons attacked me with a view to kill me
Rokibul
at-
Hussain's case.
My lord?
Rokibul Hussain. Who is the informant?
My lord, Rokibul Hussain, my lord.
Yes.
The MP, my lord. Now the thing is that, my lord, on the same day, his PSO also lodged an FIR in the same incident, my lord. And some of these petitioners, my lord, they applied for pre-arrest bail. And out of 10 petitioners, my lord, 8 were granted, my lord, pre-arrest bail, 2 surrendered. Now in this case, my lord, in the first item number 34, my lord, out of 10 petitioners, my lord, the first 4 petitioners, my lord, their names and residences, my lord, they do not match with the names which are there in the FIR. And the from petition number 5 to 10, they are not named in the FIR. And the other item, my lord, all are named in the FIR. Now, only submission is that, my lord, since the entire incident has been videographed, my lord, so, my lord, nobody can escape, my lord, and the entire incident has been captured, my lord. So, definitely, my lord, any identification can be done. So, case there will reveal, my lord.
What do you have?
Injury for different injuries of simple and blunt.
Simple injury.
Simple injury. And witnesses. They're not sitting anything against the prisoner.
Mm-hmm.
If there is a concern, lordship, witnesses examine, they're not sitting anything against the prisoner. Because the mob was there, that's why they cannot be identified.
Same incident, my lord. After perusing the record case there, my lord, the Honorable Court granted bail. Bail petition.
Same incident against co-accused.
And the PSO, my lord. The PSO in his affair also said that, my lord, the MP was also assaulted. That is also there in his affair also.
No, I didn't understand. This is for co-accused or this is counter case?
Counter case, my
Counter
first
case.
case, my lord. This is the second affair.
Please read the FIR.
At page number 17, I would like to inform you that the below mentioned miscreants and goons attacked me, my son, namely Tanzil Hussain, and my security personnel on 20th February. If your lordship would like to peruse the other affair also, I have it. The first affair.
No, not required.
At Rupohihar under Nagaon district of Assam, while I was going to attend a meeting at Rupohi Notun Bazar, the miscreants and goons attacked me with a view to kill me, attacked the security personnel causing grievous injuries and tried to snatch their weapons. The local people somehow saved us from the clutches of the miscreant goons. It may be mentioned that I called the officer in charge of Rupohihar police station several times for adequate security arrangement, but he willfully and deliberately misguided me, paving the way for miscreants and goons for brutal attack. My tour program was also duly informed to the SB control, Guwahati Police Control, Nagaon, and OC Rupohihar Police Station. This is not an isolated attack on me. There have been several attacks during the by-election and also at my residence. My security has not been increased despite my repeated requests. Therefore, you are requested to register a case under proper sections of law.
Or against all this.
Yes.
So he's saying that they have sustained simple injuries.
Correct.
'Only one son?
One
His son has sustained simple injuries.
Yes, sir. Two medical reports is there. One is unrelated. One is locable. He's foreign informant. What was injured simply?
Do you have any objection? Yes.
The incident did happen. I think it's
But I'd like to add one thing, my lord. In the item number 34, there are 15 petitioners, my lord. Petition number 14 and 15, they have surrendered, ma'am. They have arrested, ma'am. They have been already
Item
arrested.
number?
Item number 34. 550 of 2025. Bosiruddin and Abdul Khalek. They have surrendered, my lord, and arrested on 2/3/25.
Accused number, which one?
14 and 15.
14 and 15.
Bosiruddin and Abdul Khalek.
No, this is Zahidul.
No,
Zahirul Islam.
in item number 34.
Yeah, this is item number 34. I'll read out the 550 of 2025.
Yes, yes.
Your objection is basically against which two? Which one? Which one?
TP, Ajarani and procedural hawk. In the FIR, they are accused of 50 and 60.
Oh, yes, yes. They have surrendered. Azhar Ali and Rasidul Haq. Have they surrendered?
Bosiruddin and Abdul Khalek.
Okay. Bosiruddin, there's no Bosiruddin in the item number 550. Oh, yes, yes. Number 9. Bosiruddin is number 9. He has surrendered. No, no, he's accused number 9, not 14, 15.
In my petition.
Okay, okay. Petitioner, dear petitioners. here.
Petitioners.
Petitioner number, yes, yes. No, no, I'm looking at it after.
Accused.
Oh, did you find? These two have surrendered, so
Yes,
you're not pressing for them.
Yes.
Okay then. 323. Yes, yes. I'll record your objection. Troublemongers. Basically troublemongers. Hmm? Our learned counsel, Mr. S. Dutta. Etu heri minu ahi jo. Minu pispala roi ase. Lomba hobo okoman. Our learned counsel, Mr. S. Das for the petitioners 1 to 13, huh?
1 to 13.
Who have filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as they are apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. The learned counsel for the petitioners has not pressed the bail petition for petitioner number 14, Osiruddin, and petitioner number 15, Abdul Khalek, as they already have been arrested in connection with this case and forwarded to custody. Heard Mr. D.P. Goswami, learned additional PP Assam, and learned counsel Mr. V.A. Chaudhary for the informant. Full stop. The allegation against the petitioners is that on 20/02/2025, the petitioners created trouble in the meeting which was held at Rupohi Hut and attacked Tanzil Hussain, the son of the informant, Tanzil Hussain. As well as the informant, and tried to snatch away the weapons from the security personnel. Full stop. The local people, however, came to their rescue. Full stop. It is submitted on behalf of the informant that the petitioner Procedural Hawk and Asghar Ali are habitual offenders. Full stop. The London Council for the Informant has also raised serious objection against the bail petition. The London Additional PP has submitted that the CD reveals that the informant and the victim has sustained simple injuries. I have also informant and his son, victim only. Informant and the victim sustained simple injuries. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. Full stop. The petitioners are willing to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation and to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon them. It is also submitted that the petitioners, being local residents, are not flight risks. It appears that pre-arrest bail may be granted to the petitioners. The petitioners, in the event of their arrest, the petitioners shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 each with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation. Number 2, the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. Number 3, the petitioners shall refrain from such activities with which they are alleged and maintain the peace. Number 4, and on breach of any of the bail conditions, bail order shall stand automatically cancelled. This same story or same FIR or different FIR? No. Same FIR. Anybody arrested and forwarded in case number 448?
Yes.
Here also somebody was arrested? No. Where is the FIR here?
FIR is a page number, my lord, 16.
Same FIR?
Same FIR. We have just segregated based on, my lord, the apprehension. Some are named in the FIR, some are not named in the FIR.
I don't know. I don't think this is the same FIR. Noga PS case number 147. No. Same FIR.
Same FIR.
হ'ব একেখিনি লিখি দিবা খালি সেই ইয়াত আকৌ ফৰৱাৰ্ড কৰা নাই হয় দুখন এফআইআৰ আছে নেকি নাই এখনে
Pending item 22.
Highly organized.
Send back the CD লিখি দিবা
Yeah, please, the lordship. This is a regular bail application, lordship. I am not the named FIR accused, lordship. The name.
ঘূৰাই দিবা
The
You
name.
have the CD, no? You have gone through the CD. I come after some time. It's not so easy to go through the CD. Just take a look at the CD. Come after some time. I'm there till at least till 7:30. I'm there always.
Item number 2.
It 22 আছে
Pending
no?
item 2.
It 22 আসলে? It item 2 to 9. Petitioner is not represented. List the matter on.
Item number 36.
Miss Heidi.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is contempt petition, Lordship. Your Lordship directed us to supply copy to the senior government advocate, Lordship, earlier occasion, last occasion. We have served, Lord. Order dated 27/6/23 is not carried out, Lordship. That is page 36.
We'll list it for admission then. Pleadings are complete, no?
Lordship, they are to file affidavit. Lordship, I have filed affidavit for response number 2, Lordship.
It's mentioned, I think.
Lordship.
Yes, mentioned. Respondent 2 has filed affidavit in opposition. You have to file.
Your Lordship, we will be appearing for respondent number 1.
Okay.
We will file Bakalat number 3, Your Lordship.
Okay. Learned Counsel Miss
F Intas.
F.
Intas, Lord.
Intas is present for the
Petition.
this is a contempt petitioner, no?
Lord.
Contempt petition, contempt na. Learned Counsel. No, I do. DD sir. Learned Counsel Mr. G. Bora is
I'm Bhagavati.
M. Halo.
Somehow.
Okay. Learned Government Advocate.
No, Lordship, for response number 1, I appear for response number 1, I'm Bhagavati. Oh, sorry, Lordship, response number 2. I have filed a Ukalat number, Lordship.
Learned Counsel Mr. M. Halo is present for the response number. M. Bhagavati is present for respondent number 2. Office to reflect the name of Learned Counsel Mr. M. Bhagavati in the cause list. Your name is not in the cause list. Learned Counsel Miss Government Advocate. Learned Counsel Mr. D. Nat is present for respondent number 1. Learned Counsel or Senior Government Advocate?
Who is the senior government advocate?
Learned Senior Government Advocate Mr. D. Nat is present for respondent number 1. It is submitted by Learned Counsel R. Gogoi. That respondent number 1 will file affidavit. List the matter after 2 weeks. All right.
May I please? In this matter, Lordship, await service report in respect of the respondent number 1, Lordship.
Lordship, I am appearing for the respondent number 2, State of West Bengal. Now, my lord, in this matter, it's a dispute between two parties pertaining to some monetary disputes. And there was a complaint case which was filed before the learned magistrate in Alipur Court, Kolkata. Summons were issued under section 200 CR. Now, my lord, under any circumstances, nowhere the state of West Bengal is in picture. Nowhere the state of West Bengal is involved in this matter. And there is no cause of action against the state of West Bengal. And my lord will also see from the cause tag that the petition itself is suffering from inherent defect. The reason is Principal Secretary Government of West Bengal, which department? No name of the concerned department has been mentioned. It's a misjoinder and non-joinder of parties, my lord.
But as pleadings are complete, we will list it for admission. This is for orders today, so we'll list it for admission.
With the direction to
Oh.
file affidavits in the meantime.
Okay, you have not filed affidavit?
No.
Okay, okay.
But Lordship, the
Because-
service
because
report
why-
emitted in respect of the respondent number.
Respondent number 1 is present, I think.
No.
Not present.
Not.
My submissions may kindly be recorded, madam.
Yes, yes, sure. Oh, that is what you have submitted. That address is insufficient. Respondent number 1.
As per their.
You have submitted, no?
I'm for the respondent number 2, State of West Bengal. My lord will see the Principal Secretary, State of West Bengal. Which department? The name of the concerned department has not been mentioned. There is no cause of action against the State of West Bengal, my lord. The State of West Bengal has been arrayed as a party. My humble submission, it is a misjoinder and non-joinder of the entire matter. The proceedings against the State of West Bengal may be dropped. That's my humble submission, my lord. There's nowhere the State of West Bengal is
At the
connected.
time of admission.
My lord, as your lordship.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
You can give them.
You have
T.H. Chaudhary.
A?
T.H. Chaudhary.
Learned Counsel, Mr. T.H. Chaudhary is present for the petitioner. Learned Counsel, Mr. B. Dev is present for respondent number 2 and has submitted that the respondent number 2 is not a necessary party to these pleadings, and this case is not maintainable for misgender and non-gender of parties. Full stop. Comma, and this case against respondent number 2 may be dropped. Anybody representing any other
My lord,
respondents?
And my lord, the concerned name of the concerned department of the government of West Bengal, that has
It is
also not
further
been stated.
submitted that the name of the concerned department of the government of West Bengal has also not been mentioned while in the arrangement of parties, in the array of parties. Full stop. The submission will be taken up at the stage of admission.
Lordship.
The submission will be taken up at the stage of admission. Stop. The service report on respondent number 1 is awaited.
1 is awaited.
Office note dated 18/3/2025 indicates that service report on respondent number 1 is awaited. List the matter after 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
A fixed date maybe.
Okay, okay.
Uh,
You're
After Bihu.
you commute from Calcutta?
Yes, I come from Calcutta. I'm also the Advocate General
I
of
know.
Mizoram.
Of Mizoram.
Uh-huh.
I know, I met you.
I'm the Advocate General of Mizoram. also.
Yes. So you
I have an
commute
office
from
here.
Calcutta?
Yes. I have one.
Okay, I'll give you a fixed date. Okay.
Lordship,
Will
interim
it be
order.
possible? Will it be possible in the end of April? Maybe 29th or 30th?
All right. Yes.
Lordship, interim order passed on 11/11/24 may be extended.
Okay. Interim, there's an interim order.
It doesn't
shall,
affect me.
shall remain in force till then. All right.
29th April.
Yes.
And if you can.
Okay.
Item number 40.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, this I was filed for the correction of the main bail application, but cost title.
Yesterday you were submitting, no?
Yes, my lord.
Day before yesterday. I
Day
didn't
before
have
yesterday.
time.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
We'll correct it.
Simple correction, my lord.
Yeah, I'll call. We'll
But
correct
there
it.
should be my special judge, NDPS, Kamrup Metro.
Third learned counsel, Mr.
J. Ali, madam.
J. Ali for the applicant. I him, huh? Mohammed Salim Khan, who has filed this application for correction of typographical error in bail application number 686 of 2025. Third learned additional PP, Mr. DP Goswami for the opposite party. It is submitted that paragraph 4, no?
Cost title of the.
Oh,
and
error in the
prayer
cost title.
And prayer.
Cost title and prayer likhi diba. Typographical error in there. So in para 4, where have you mentioned your ground?
Para form, yes, ma'am.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the applicant that the words learned special judge
NDPS.
within bracket NDPS Kamrup
Metro.
within bracket M Guwahati এইবোৰ সব inverted commas লিখি দিবা হা learned special judge the words learned special judge NDPS Kamrup Metro Guwahati within inverted commas এইখিনি may be inserted in place of learned additional session judge number 3 Kamrup Metro Guwahati. Full stop. The prayer is allowed, full stop, wherever the words learned additional judge, session judge number 3, Kamrup Metro Guwahati appears, comma, it may be typed and corrected as learned special judge NDPS Kamrup Metro Guwahati. In terms of the above, in BA number 686 of 2025. In terms of the above observation, I stands disposed of.
I'm obliged, ma'am.
Item 44.
My lord,
Supplementary hey to nine
my lord, your lordship has called for the case that this is a charge sheet case. I have annexed all the evidences and all the materials that were furnished under section 206 of the CFPC. That now, so far the charge sheet and the materials annexed with the charge sheet, there is not even any allegation against us, my lord. And both my daughters are suffering from thalassemia major, and they are undergoing treatment outside the state. My resources have gone down. Now I am apprehensive that this in this
your
case,
charge sheeted case, charge sheet under?
church is under NDPS Act section 21C.
Oh no, we'll need the we will need the.
No, on the last occasion, your lordship has already issued notice to them. Asked to produce the case diary.
We'll give you this
Madam, your
scan copies takes minimum time, not much time.
No, no.
Scan copies it is sent through email. It's not that it is sent through post.
This is the second day it has come, not the
No,
first.
I'll give you a speaking order. I'll definitely consider.
No, your lordship will kindly consider me interim prayer because of the circumstances under which I am going.
No, interim, no, not possible.
No,
Charge
your
sheeted as absconder, no?
No, I'm not an absconder. Even in the charge sheet, my name doesn't figure. Now, even then in a charge sheet case, the police is telling my family members that you call your person from
So
Hyderabad.
your name is not there in the charge sheet.
Not even shown as an absconder. That's why otherwise I will ask bail in an NDPS case, madam. Pre-arrest bail.
So let us.
And your court is your lordship.
Within short. I'll.
No, he is not a prayer man. Your lordship has.
I'll accommodate you. I'll accommodate you. Within this 3 weeks before Bihu vacation, I'll accommodate you. But I'll need the LCR.
Madam,
I understand. Thalassemia, I
My
understand.
problem is what?
It's blood cancer. I understand.
That's why, my lord, if I don't come, my both daughters, my lord, I require
understand.
money. If I don't
I
come,
definitely understand what is thalassemia. I know
then
very
your
well.
lordship will kindly fix this matter on Tuesday or Wednesday next, because I have annexed all the documents. Wednesday. Because I have annexed all the documents.
Tuesday is a hearing day, Wednesday, because it will be a big hearing here over here.
No, madam. All the documents I have annexed. My learned friend has to just go through the documents to find my name.
I'll fix it on Wednesday. Scan copies. Please make every effort, huh? No, but you don't have to bring, no? We will get it. Office will get it, no?
Registry will get it.
Office will get it.
Charge sheeted case back in the court of.
Trial court record as called for is not received. Issue reminder to positively forward the scan copies of the trial court record along with the scan copies of the case diary without fail. List the matter on 26 March.
Well, from the court of the additional district and session judge number 1, Kamrup Metro. Well, my interim will be considered if it is not produced on the next day, because this person is crying every day because of his.
I understand. I will consider.
Well, the public prosecutor NCB's name may kindly be shown. I'll inform him. On the next day, the registry will show the public prosecutor.
Registry to reflect the name of the public prosecutor NCB. Standing counsel, I think. Standing counsel NCB. Standing counsel NCB.
Yeah.
Timing item 24.
See, do you have the CD? Petitioner is not represented.
Some time that time.
Okay, then we'll have to wait.
Yes, yes.
24 to ৰখিব লাগিব তেওঁ টাইম বিচাৰিছিলে যে সেইকাৰণে
Item 32.
Made, please, your lordship. Lordship, this is an anticipated bail application, lordship. The FIR lordship will find on page 12, lordship. Entire case is based on documentary evidence, lordship. I am the agent, lordship. I procured the agents from this Grameen Vikas Bank by depositing 20,000 on a return, lordship. On deposit, lordship, I'll get on collection of the lordship, the installment, lordship, I'll get 4.5% lordship as my income, lordship. Now, what happened, lordship? Some person has been taken loan that reflected on page 12, lordship. They are regularly paying that loan, lordship, and this present may read the FIR, lordship.
Yes.
I'm lordship accused number 1, Nitish Roy, lordship. I'm not for the accused number 2, lordship. It is respectfully submitted that with the more than 50 members of the women are resident of West Jaril Bari and Nogendra Nagar Gram in the year 2022. We took loan GLG loan from Assam Grameen Vikas Bank, Bajarghat branches, and we started paying EMI from the month of December 2023. We used to pay installment on every 15 days. The said EMI was collected by the authorized agent, that is the accused number 1, and used to acknowledge the receipt of the said EMI in our book. But the accused number 1 in connivance with the accused number 2 did not deposit the EMI money and thereby misappropriate the same. When the amount was not deposited in the bank, then we asked bank manager, that is the accused number 2, lordship. Then the accused number 2 stated that the amount is deposited in the bank. Accused number 2 is the bank employee.
All right.
My lord, may kindly produce the CD, my lord. Here, my lord, 2 numbers of accused person is the FIR name, my lord. My lord, learned trial court below, my lord, on the same date on my lord 19 to 2025. My lord, granted the pre-arrest bail to Mitsuti Bormon, accused number 2, my lord. But the same court on the same day rejected the bail application of the present accused petitioner. Here, my lord, sufficient materials are there, my lord. Police has examined where, my lord, he is the person who is the agent, my lord, who collected the money. And then thereafter, my lord, that money was not deposited. That is the allegation. In this regard, my lord, police, my lord, says some, my lord, that is the financial institutions, my lord, registers and all, where, my lord, regarding the deposition parts are available. And apart from that, my lord, police, my lord, during the my lord investigation, examine, my lord, witness both from the side of the financial institutions and other from the side of the my lord, that is the customers, my lord.
So I'll go through the CD.
Yes, lordship. What happened? I'll appreciate one thing, lordship. The manager, lordship, who has accepted, lordship, it is reflected in the FIR, lordship. He has accepted and he assured that that amount is deposited with the bank, lordship. He said that amount is deposited. He has been protected, lordship. He has shifted to another branch, lordship, by this bank authority, lordship. Now, since, lordship, I am an agent, lordship, I myself deposited 20,000 rupees, lordship. That with the bank, lordship. My work is to collect the deposit, that installment amount, lordship, and deposit it to the bank, lordship. That part, lordship, accused number 2 already admitted. That is reflected in the FIR 2, lordship, in the FIR, lordship. The amount is with the bank, lordship. Now, lordship, the base of the allegation, lordship, entirely based on the lordship documentary evidence, lordship. Whatever collected, that is acknowledged. They said it was acknowledged by the authorized agent.
He is suspended or not?
He is not the employee, lordship. But my present presentation is an agent.
Who collected the money.
But here,
and, my lord, in the my lord, CDT reveal that the authority, my lord, that is the financial institution authority, whenever they tried to communicate with him, he was not found. His phone was switched off, and he is not.
That's the only ground. He protected lordship. These informants.
They are collecting from the village, remote areas.
They have taken loan from the bank, lordship. The accused number 2, lordship, engaged me as an agent to collect that lordship installment from
installments
and deposit that to the bank, lordship. And he has in the FIR said, lordship.
I'll go through the CD because it's a huge CD.
Lordship,
Many witnesses, there are too
only
many
Lordship,
witnesses.
Lordship, I am ready to
1,
cooperate with the
2, 3,
investigation,
4,
Lordship.
5. No, I'll see. I'll just check.
Yes.
It depends.
I'm ready
I
to, Lordship.
understand.
I'm not from outsider, Lordship. I'm from that locality, Lordship. Permanent residential address is there, Lordship.
I'll check.
If
I'll
there's
check.
some protection, Lordship, I'm ready to cooperate with the investigation.
I'll have to go through the CD.
Yes, Lordship. I'll leave it to Lord. I'll leave it.
This was your hearing at 2. No, another one.
I can pay.
No. There are other matters also. There's some 9 too.
Your Honor, my lord, we have filed an application yesterday. Maybe that has been tagged for striking out of the petitioner number 3.
I striking out petition number 3 in which
Criminal petition number 1287 from the main petition.
okay. Yes, then we can strike it out. And item number 1 is BA. All 9 niki. Oh, production or item number. Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. We'll strike out.
And my lord, the main criminal petition may be listed next week.
Not next week. We'll give you a date. I heard learned counsel Miss S. Sahi for the applicant. Abhijit Chakraborty.
Abhijit Chakraborty.
For the applicants, Abhijit Chakraborty, Nam Usha, Dr. Byanjana, Tinjan ase, who have filed this application with prayer to strike out the name of the respondent number 3 in criminal petition number 1287 of 2024.
Petitioner number 3.
Petitioner number 3.
Byanjana, Dr.
Dr. Byanjana Chakraborty from the criminal petition number 1287 of 2024. Hard learned additional PP, Mr. K. Bosher for the respondent state. It is submitted that the applicant number, applicant number 3, i.e. Respondent number 3, Dr. Byanjana Chakraborty, nalage, naam kita nalage, naam nili hiba, eta family case, DB case, eta naam likhiba, 1 to 3 line, is not willing to proceed with the case and is not willing to proceed with the case. Considering the submissions at the bar, the prayer to strike out the name of the respondent number 3, or no, the petitioner number 3, petitioner number 3 in criminal petition number 1287 of 2024 is allowed. In terms of the above observation, the IS stands disposed of criminal petition to Likhit Vasu. You will have to submit a amended petition. Amended cost title without the name, or even cut it off also. No, not cut it off also. I think not required amended. List the matter on. Registry will write a struck off. I think registry may note a struck off. I think so. I don't know. Registry will do. They will know better. Criminal petition to list the matter on.
Production is item number 2. KB 58 for usual. Item 43 for
Please be Lordship. Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. BP Sinha. and he is unwell, so unable to appear before his honorable court.
Which one?
43, my lord.
His fate.
43.
So lordship may adjourn the matter for the day.
BP Sinha?
BP Sinha, yes. sir.
Learned Counsel, Miss?
My lord, one thing, ma'am, I'm going to point out, my lord. Then the status report was called for, my lord. But that is not furnished by the, my lord, from the, my lord, learned trial court, my lord. So that may be called for, my lord, again.
It only 43 to me.
Yes, my lord. That status report is there, my lord. That is on the of 23, my lord.
Learned Counsel, Miss?
B Sinha.
B. Sinha is present on behalf of Learned Counsel, Mr. BP Sinha, representing the petitioner, Learned Counsel, Mr. B. Sharma, Learned Counsel, Learned Additional,
PP, my lord.
huh?
Respondent
Learned Special PP. Mr. Bonkim B. Sharma is present for the respondent number 2. It is submitted that a status report
Kindly see the first order, my lord, first page.
A fresh status report was called for from the learned SDJ M. Gopur as to whether after 2023 the final offense report has been filed or not. So this report has not been forwarded. Huh?
My lord.
Call for the report again. List the matter on. When do you want?
After Bihu, lord.
List the matter after 4 weeks, or should we give a date? List the matter after 3 weeks.
Oblige, lord.
তেখেত ৰৈ আছে নেকি? এইটো পঢ়া হ'ল নেকি? নাই হোৱা? All right. Your submission will be long, no?
It will not take much time, Lord. Only 10 minutes.
Then we can proceed with your submission. 10 minutes?
Yes, sir.
Or can you finish it in 5 minutes? এখেতৰো দি দিয়া।
Yes. Lordship, this is the maintenance case, Lordship. I'm for the husband, Lordship. This petitioner, Lordship, working in Assam Battalion, Lordship. I'm not disputing about the marriage. Regarding maintenance to my wife, Lordship, I have a Lordship. I have challenged that order. Regarding paying of the maintenance to my son, Lordship, I'm ready to pay that. Oh, the ground, Lordship, which I have challenged, Lordship. My wife had a relation with some other person that I brought in evidence, Lordship. Now, Lordship, till I have challenged that order by filing this criminal revision meditation, Lordship. In the meantime, for non-paying of the Lordship maintenance, Lordship, warrant has been issued against this petitioner. That for that, Lordship, I have filed this IA 190/2025, Lord.
Okay.
That order, Lordship, will find on page 10, Lordship. Only stay, Lordship. I am ready to pay the son, Lordship. Since the matter is sub judice regarding the payment of the maintenance to the wife, Lordship, let that may be decided, Lordship, after Lordship registration of that Lordship criminal division petition, Lordship. It is only filing number is given, Lordship. But I has numbered, Lordship. Only that, Lordship, warrant can be stayed, Lordship. He is a government servant, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, he will lose the job, Lordship. I'm ready to pay the Lordship. Actually, maintenance was given to the wife 6,500 and son 3,500. In short, Lordship, it's initially, when I filed this revision petition, there was a condonation of delay for 36 days, Lordship. That that petition was Lordship disposed of, and delay has been condoned, Lordship. That time notice was issued to the respondent. They did not appeared, Lordship. Then, Lordship, court has disposed of that condonation petition, Lordship, allowing this petition, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, there is no direction for the registration of this criminal revision, Lordship. That's why only the filing number is given, Lordship. Now, Lordship, in the meantime, warrant has been issued, Lordship. I mean, Lordship, run, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, this warrant executed, Lordship, I lost my job.
You are a government servant. Where is your I card?
Lordship, I have said it. Lordship, in complaint, Lordship, maintenance petition, she has also already stated, Lordship. That judgment, Lordship, IA filing number, Lordship, that's the filing number of criminal division 304, Lordship. There, Lordship will find that judgment part, Lordship. Page 14, Lordship, judgment started from page 14. And page 15, Lordship, specific paragraph 3 stated, Lordship.
Assam Police.
Yes, Lord.
Okay. Her learned counsel, Mr. B. Chaudhary, B. Chaudhary for the to naam likhibo nalage na applicant who has
Challenge the maintenance order, Lordship.
no, this is very irregular. Criminal revision petition has to be numbered.
Warrant, Lordship, already.
No, I can't help it. It has to be
Because
numbered.
filing number is given, Lordship.
No, no.
Filing number is given 304.
It has to be registered. We'll bring it tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll bring it. You take leave for 1 week. Tomorrow, this is very irregular. This petition has to be numbered.
This case is pending, Lordship. This was filed on 8/1/2024, Lordship. Thereafter, it was listed on 1/3/24, Lordship, condemnation. Thereafter, it was not listed, Lordship. There is no stay, nothing else. I'm not praying for that, Lordship. Only warrant can be, Lordship, not to execute, Lordship, for the timing, Lord.
Delay has not been condoned.
Delay has been condoned, Lordship, in IA, Lordship. 196.
No,
Lordship.
not condoned. Applicant to take steps of service of notice.
Lordship,
sole respondent by registered as well as by usual process.
Lordship, 190 IA.
This is 196 and 190.
196, Lordship.
Delay has not been condoned.
Delay has been condoned.
No, no. Not condoned. Just take a look. Edu, not condoned. Delay condone করেছে নাকি না করা না? No, not condoned.
Then that. Notice has already issued, Lordship, to her, Lordship. That is a notice on 27/24, Lordship. Document number 1/2024, Lordship.
Neither ID card nor any answer notice in respect of the sole respondent has been received back by the section till date upon whom notice was issued by registered post or no, it has not received. Notice not served. You'll have to serve the notice because first date notice was issued. You'll have to serve. Our learned counsel, Mr. B. Chaudhary, for the applicant petitioner, IA 196 or likhiba, issue notice service report on respondent number 2 is awaited. Respondent, that was long time back. Respondent may take or petitioner applicant may take fresh steps to issue notice to the responder. List on, we'll give you a date.
Short date, Lordship.
yes. List on 8 April.
Lordship, can it be before, Lordship?
8 April, this is from.
Because warrant is there, Lordship, against this petitioner, Lord.
No, you go and pay first. Then.
Lordship, I'm ready to pay.
No, no, now you don't dispute because you'll be behind bars. You'll be behind bars immediately.
Because
So
Lordship,
you don't, this is.
The regular bail application, Lordship. I am not the named FI accused, Lordship. All the FI name accused, the prime accused, Lordship, already arrested and released on bail by this honorable court, Lordship. FI, Lordship, page 19, Lordship. I was arrested, Lordship, 3/2/2025, Lordship, already 46 days behind the bar, Lordship. FI very comprehensive, Lordship. So, Lordship, the informant here, Lordship, Sunny Bridger, one director and authorized representative of an IT company, Lordship, Noida based, Lordship. The allegation, Lordship, work order for supply of basic towards issued, Lordship. The complainant in the Adivasi, Lordship, Adivasi Welfare Development Council, Lordship. AWDC, Lordship. And for awarding the work order, Lordship, the FR name accused, Lordship, I am not the name accused, Lordship, they have taken 6% commission of the same work order, Lordship. They are the Asim Das and his and Fordun Mehta, Lordship, Amit Jalali, and Birinchi Borbodoti, Devakopas Bhavapati, and one Zakir Hussain, Lordship. They are the name FIR accused, Lordship. They have taken the 6% commission, Lordship, from the complainant, Lordship. After getting the work order, Lordship, they the complainant delivered a shipment of bedsheet, Lordship, to the Adivasi Development Council, Lordship. And Lordship, Lordship, can you come to forwarding, Lordship, why I have been arrested, Lordship, page 24, Lordship. Page 24, 25 ground of arrest, Lordship. During investigation, the earlier arrested co-accused person revealed that the below mentioned arrested accused person has sold the bedsheet that was supplied by the complainant party in the name of Adivasi Welfare Development Council. This is the allegation against me, Lordship. Now, Lordship, may kindly come to page 7 of my petition, Lordship. The actual what happened, Lordship. Lordship, the present petitioner know the accused Asim Das, Lordship. One day, the prime accused Asim Das told him that he has some bedsheet in his student and he want to sell the bedsheet at a discount price with proper bill and provide a sample of bedsheet to the petitioner. The petitioner agreed with Asim Das and paid some money of Asim Das. Paragraph number 7, Lordship. The petitioner agreed with Asim Das and paid some money to Asim Das, the prime accused, in his bank account for purchase of bedsheet, but Asim Das did not provide any bedsheet to the petitioner and cheated him. The said sample bedsheet produced before the police by the petitioner and same is already seized by the police. Actually, Lordship, I am annexing the earlier bail order, Lordship. Here, Lordship, kindly come page 28, Lordship, for every Asim Das bail order, Lordship. Page 31, the relevant part, Lordship. Lordship, paragraph number 7, Lordship. I have scrutinized the case diary. Indeed, there are incriminating materials against in the case diary against the petitioner. However, I have considered the progress of investigation, Lordship. The same opinion is given in another co-accused, Lordship. The other co-accused, all the co-accused, Lordship, who are the prime accused, Lordship.
My lord, here in the case, the petitioner, my lord, has already, my lord, stated by my learned friend that he was arrested on 3/2/2025, my lord, shown arrest, my lord, in connection with Dispur PS 182/2024, my lord. My lord, in connection with other, my lord, this was, my lord, crime business case, my lord, 13/24, my lord. CD revealed that, my lord. My lord, here, my lord, during the course of investigation, my lord, here that is a scam that is in the name of, my lord, this Adivasi, my lord, that is AWDC, my lord. That is a government agency, my lord. Some kind of, my lord, manufacture of document was made in the name of tender, my lord. And then thereafter, my lord, there is a huge amount of monies, my lord, transaction was there. And there, my lord, they made some, my lord, that is the memorandum and all, everything. And then thereafter, my lord, some persons, those who are involved in the case, they were arrested. And my lord, during the course of investigation, as because, my lord, it is regarding the supply of some bed sheets, my lord. It is about, my lord, the memorandum is in the name of some Protestic IT Services Private Limited. And my lord, it is about, my lord, above crore, my lord, many crores, my lord. So such transactions were made, my lord. Here, my lord, as stated in the, my lord, that is in the, my lord, there is the forwarding report, my lord. During the course of investigation, they have stated that present accused petitioner is the person who sold those bedsheet, my lord. So that is the allegation, my lord. And from the CD also, my lord, that reveal, my lord, Otherwise, it is a huge CD, my lord. And here, my lord, that is the entire nexus is here. And only, my lord, I have flag mark on the relevant part. That is the horizontally flag mark, my lord. There's some note from the IO, my lord. The last part of the CD, my lord, may kindly peruse. That is, my lord.
Another point, Lordship, the Devapakas Bhagavati Lordship. Already allowed to begin by the Supreme Court. Recently, Lordship, 30% Lordship, and Niranjan Das Lordship. They are already allowed on bail. Also, victim of this pattern scam Lordship. The
Hmm? $15 crores or reason. 15 কোটি।
They're under DC Lordship. Adivasi Development Council. Adivasi Welfare Development Council.
My lord, my lord, that is the during investigation, the earlier arrested co-accused person revealed that the below mentioned arrested accused person has sold the bed sheets that was supplied by the complainant party in the name of Adivasi Welfare Development Council.
That's
Same date, Lordship, 3489.
The case that he admitted.
My lord, that,
Statement he has admitted.
my lord, that,
And that he has also
my lord, that is admitted, my lord. But otherwise, my lord, in earlier two bail petition, they have already completed 64 days. Here, my lord, no, yes.
46 days, one Zakir Hussain only for 31 days.
My,
they are doing
my lord, because my lord, it is a 15 crores of tender, my lord, my lord, 15 crores of my lord tender, my lord,
according to his
my lord, 12 lakhs, my lord, my lord,
tell us something.
my lord. But a tender was made, my lord, for 15 crores, my lord.
I am 50 my Lordship. I am Austin Das is second Lordship. Yes, Mass
I'm sorry, Lordship, morning I have mentioned, Lordship, but that matter was rejected by Honorable Justice P.J. Saikia, Lordship.
Oh.
So that was not listed, Lord. We tried, but Lordship.
Okay, then we'll take up that case.
No, Lordship, that item 24.
All right, I will. Itu Nahil and
24. CBSA. Lordship have gone through it yesterday also. Lordship granted bail in motion. Lordship one day. Item 5 was granted bail in. FIR on page 8. Lordship did a Arakanat Lordship.
is the
One of the suspect, Lordship. And some dates were found from him which he have persisted.
behind
36 days. I think this order will do yesterday's order, Lordship. Lordship have come. Same FIR, Lordship.
I know.
No, regarding that connected cases.
Oh, super again.
No, Lordship. Only the, no, Lordship. We did defense for it. And date of arrest.
Date of arrest is where?
Date of arrest is Lordship 12/2/2025. And the case Lordship which have mentioned in the order that both orders are annexed in my bill. Lordship,
Will be for appeal.
about 36 days. And both the cases, the order which have mentioned in your Lordship order, I have annexed those order in my bill. That you mentioned. Much obliged. Much obliged. Much obliged. Much obliged.
Item 2 of the production list for withdrawal.
But maybe you want to withdraw. That is it's the.
Am I saying?
Huh?
Am I?
Am I saying? Then get to withdraw. Let it. Petition is completed.
Item number 42 for hearing.
defendant is convicted for 10 years. And the charge was framed under section 22C. Charge was framed under section 22C. But initially, Lordship, the case was registered, FIR was registered under section 21B. And apparently, Lordship, the serial list is prepared by the IO Lordship, and the charge sheet has been submitted 22B. Subsequently, Lordship, after the there will be statement of the witnesses, Lordship, and come to serial list. Serial list, that Lordship, your only operating portion, Lordship, there are description of Article 6.
Aku makin
Operating portion, Lordship, of serial list, Lordship. Serial number 6, description of Article 3.
serial of the to go to the dashboard record. Lordship, that record. What all the password record? Yes,
serial list.
Exhibit.
Serial list is not exhibited.
Oh, serial list is not
exhibited.
Then you the field. You don't have the field.
But otherwise, Lordship,
If you want, you would have, you have to have
only for Lordship and for a moment, Lordship, I'm coming on this Lordship, but serial list can be was told the serial list.
not exhibited, then you can take the field. No problem. It has been not got.
Sorry, Lordship, sorry, exhibit is.
Exhibit, sorry. Exhibit how much?
Articles, Lordship. It, I will Lordship, P2.
Okay, serial list exhibit P2. P2.
Lordship. P1 and P2. First, exhibit P1 is the serial list, where exhibit P11 is my signature. Okay, so my Lord, I will come to serial list. Serial number 6, description of article 6. 3 boxes containing sparse pen and plus so the 18 strips. And each strip
Serial number 6.
Lord, description of article. Serial list. But I have the type of or what will it say? It will be able.
Okay.
3 boxes containing social tablet Lordship, containing 18 strips. And each strip containing 24 capsules, blue color, or total 432 numbers of capsules. But now, very shortly, Lordship, and again, Lordship, and we come to the inventory FSL report, Lordship. FSL. FSL report, Lordship, description of articles, Lordship, and the result of exhibition, that last year. The exhibit
PC.
Lordship.
Inventory of field drug sector.
The director of foreign
Not the inventory. No?
FSL, no, FSL report, FSL.
Here, exhibit P.
P10. Result of exhibition, last.
Yes.
The exhibit D so cap positive test for tramadol, and the amount of tramadol per capsule was found to be 48.5 mg. So if, my Lord, I have calculated Lordship 432 capsules. Per capsule is 48.5 mg tramadol, and tramadol 5 gram is the lesser than commercial quantity, and 250 gram is lordship the commercial quantity. So if I have calculated 40 gram, 20 gram 9.9 20.95. Sorry, I have calculated 20.95. If multiple lordship 400 20.95 grams lordship. So my lordship is fall under below commercial, not commercial, but the charge was film lordship in commercial upper section. How much? 250 grams. 250 grams. And the small quantity 5 gram and commercial quantity is 250 gram.
Ramadan Kaman 250.
250 gram and 5 gram is small quantity.
Okay.
So when it is fall under below commercial quantity, so wrongly lordship and the London Board of wrongly convicted me under section 22C commercial quantity, and I have been convicted lordship 10 years and already 2 years 11 months something I will 2 years 11 months lordship 26 days lordship. So my lord, and now lordship kindly come to PW1 lordship. And all the witnesses examined lordship, they are official lordship. Only 2 numbers of independent witness has been examined. They are totally unaware about the what things have been seized by the police, and there is no specific lordship about this. Can you come to page number? Sorry, PW1. Page number? And not this. Of your appeal? No. PW1 not PW1. Page number. There is no. Yes. And here, lordship, this PW1 is the informant of this case. And initially, lordship, as apparently, lordship, as per the source information, take place in Nakasek, in the civil hospital, Walpara lordship, and Baluki. And lordship, here, 42 section of NDPS said this violation that because they have got the prior information, the one vehicle is coming, bringing some tablets to his vehicle. But here, the 42 section lordship is not compliant. That because prior to they got information, but after getting the information, he is in a competent person to take charge and see and conduct the investigation or charge or things any articles. So 42 is valid. I am reading lordship. I know the accused and informant of the case. On 28/3/2022, I was posted as constable at Walpara Pier. On that day, at 5:30 PM, I was performing my duty along with the informant in Taka set up on the road of Guwahati near the city hospital. At that time, the informant received information over phone that Maruti L2 vehicle bearing registration number was carrying drugs will be approaching the checkpoint of Walpara town within 30 minutes and intercepted the vehicle, and I saw the accused of this case driving the vehicle. And that's every statement has, if I read logic, take more time, but summarily I am doing logic. In the vehicle lordship, there are 4 persons. 4 persons in the vehicle. Even then, the registered owner of the vehicle was available in the vehicle at the time of checking. But at the time, lordship, the police only interrogated the driver as per the instruction. First part, lordship, and Naka setting was going on the PW1, the first one. Naka setting was going on right in front of the main gate of civil hospital, Gwalpara. I, along with informant constable Dhananjay Rawat, Homeguard, Default Das, were performing the Naka setting for stopping the vehicle driven by the had stopped approximately 15 to 20 vehicles to a second. When we stopped the accused and his vehicle, darkness had setting, and all 4
of us simultaneously charge the vehicle. Lordship, they have no power to charge. That because 42 section will come. At the time of recovery of the capsule from the underarm of the driver's seat, the vehicle where there was no on wheels because other than 4 police personnel. And only police personnel was there. No other equipment. All they are. And we then went to the Gwalpara PS in that vehicle driven by the seizure list was prepared after we had returned to the police station. Very funny notion. They have not prepared the seizure list at this spot. But the seizure list was prepared after we had returned to the police station. And all the police personnel were there. The vehicle, no other independent witnesses examining spot at the time of seizure. Even then, seizure is prepared at post. I do not know the total number of capsules which were recovered. Even then, is the information he does not know how many capsules were recovered from the vehicle at the place of occurrence. It is not a fact that vehicle was driven by the accused at the time of occurrence and had more occupants in it. It is not a fact that no capsules were recovered from the accused and structure. Now, Lord PW2, and he is also the independent driver, Lordship. Here, the informant does not know that he was available at the spot, and there are 4 police persons. They see the article. This article is prepared the seizure list at police station, but the informant does not know how many capsules are there were recovered. But here, occurrence took place about 5 months ago, 5 p.m. from the civil hospital by PW2. The Gwalpara on the road. At the time I was present here, I saw the informant and the staff security vehicles playing on the road. Suddenly, the informant recovered capsules which second a vehicle. The public gathered near the vehicle. I went ahead and saw that it was a Maruti Alto vehicle, but the vehicle was seized. Definitely, Maruti Wagner. That is another one. The accused of this case was driver. The capsules were recovered from the under seat of the vehicle. The police then seized the capsule in my presence. Exhibit P1 seizure list in my signature. The police left the place along with the execution capsule. In cross part, Lordship, I have put my signature on the seizure list on the spot where the capsule should be found. I'm not very funny, Lordship. The informant saying the seizure list will be prepared at the police station. But he is the independent witness, and he saying the seizure list is prepared and I put my signature. And I had put my signature in the paper which was already written up. I do not know what was written here, and the police did not read over its contents before obtaining my signature. So he's unaware of what articles, what things was prepared or seizure list was made by the IO police. He's unaware. And even in they have written some contents but did not disclose to people the witnesses. It is not a fact that at the time of seizure, I was not present at the place of occurrence. It is not a fact that I did not put my signature in Exhibit P1 on the spot. Rather, I was called to the police station. On then, I was made by sign there. So, my lord, this discrepancy, lordship, is very clear. And PW3, I am consider this. And he Shahidul Islam. And lordship, and I am not reading the entire part. Last part, lordship, C clause, PW3. Last line. I put my signature in the seizure list at Goalpara place, not spot. I put my signature in the seizure list at the Goalpara place. Clear, my lord? And now, lordship, cross part. I know the Hassan and who is also in the commercial vehicle driver like me, and he had also put signature in so and so. Along with me at Goalpara place, the vehicle was moving from so and so. I do not know if the accused was traveling alone in the vehicle, or there were some other people traveling with him. That because they came lately, and as I reached near the vehicle within 5 minutes of the hue and cry, I cannot say if there any other person traveling in the vehicle. I do not remember the color of the registration of the vehicle. I also do not know if the vehicle was private, commercial, or one. I do not remember the name of the police personnel in whose hands I have seen the boxes of capsules. The police had shown us the contents of the boxes on the road, but not in a spot location. Very clear location. The police had shown us the contents of those boxes on the road. After coming to the Goalpara PS, I found that there were 3-4 boxes, but he is unaware about the capsule box. Only see box. As I reached the vehicle after a few moments, I did not see if the capsule were in fact recovered from the vehicle or not. If the accused was the driver of that vehicle or not. Is unaware. And PW4 lordship. And he is the police personnel. Here, I know the informant and the accused of this case. The occurrence took place 23 so and so. I was posted as home guard at Goalpara town outpost. On that day, 5:30 p.m., I was performing Naka sitting on the Goalpara Adria road near civil along with the informant and constable Gopi Rava, Ranunjay Rava, Sandan Roy, Brahma, and Tilok Das. At the time of stop the Maruti Alto vehicle coming from the Adria towards Goalpara from security purpose. Therefore, all are SARS and vehicle found 3 packets of capsule, but they are not the competent person to SARS the vehicle loss. That because season is to also not, they cannot be prepared. That because they are not competent. And the accused was the driver of the vehicle, and there were no other person sitting inside the vehicle. Therefore, the capsules were taken in custody of the informant, and we then took the accused to Goalpara place. And here in the lordship and the cross part, I'm probably saying PW1 is the informant, and he said the vehicle color was white. But the PW4, he said the vehicle color was silver. They stop the vehicle, they catch the vehicle and arrest the accused person. They are very contradictory statement at the vehicle. And even then, lordship, the color of the vehicle was silver and the registration number so and so. None of the general public and accompanied us when we had gone to Goalpara place. PW1 said white, no? Lordship, white. And PW4 said silver. And PW4, in middle portion in cross lordship, the registration number is here. In middle, the color of the vehicle was silver and registration number was here so and so so and so. None of the general public had accompanied us when we had gone to Goalpara place. So, vehicle and some articles already covered by the police. There is no other independent person. Only police personnel is there. And seizure list is prepared at police station. And I did not count the total number of tablets found in each of the packets. The color of the capsule was blue, but I cannot state what the name of the capsule was written in the packets. So, so he totally unaware about the contents of the seizure. And it is not a fact that I was not a part of the team who had conducted the Naka execution. Now I'm coming, Lordship. There is the discrepancy, Lordship. Kindly come to. And he also said that, Lordship, that accused was brought by the informant in the departmental vehicle, and that the documentation of the seizure was done at 12 hours. Also, Lordship. The documentation can be done anywhere. There has to be a certification. Subsequently, Lordship, that party subsequently. Yes, it's a, doing the but documentation. That is Lordship, but the inventory can be prepared any Lordship. 53 Lordship. But wait. Subsequently, but all parties that subsequently. Not it's possible. It should be, but not given. And Lordship, the articles are given to the OC subsequently, Lordship, open condition. These are not same, these are not fact, open condition. And PW1 says the accused was brought to the police station driven by his own vehicle. But PW6 Lordship, and he says the accused was brought to the police station by the departmental vehicle. So there is very contradictory statement. PW1 Lordship, I'm coming to again Lordship, PW1. Cross part Lordship. Then we went to the Guadalajara players, then driven by the accused. Vehicle was driven, cross part. But PW6 Lordship says the accused was brought to the police station by departmental vehicle. 3 or 6. 1 and 6. One says the accused brought to the police station by driving his own vehicle. But PW6 says he was brought to the police station by the departmental vehicle. Prior to this Lordship, no seizure was made. Now PW6 Lordship. Everything of property PW6 Lordship. You need 2 money certainly. Information. The accused was the driver of the and next phase Lordship. PW6 next phase. I recovered 3 boxes of Ispas and Tran can plus capsules and beneath the driver's seat and in a concealed manner. I then took out the 3 boxes outside the vehicle and seized it, prepared and seized it. I also seized the vehicle and prepared the seizure. So there is very inconsistency. And the police, some witness where they are the police personnel, they say another independent witness, they put their signature in police station, seizure list prepared. But he say, but there is not specific that I took out the 3 boxes outside the vehicle and seized it and prepared seizure list. I also seized the vehicle and prepared the seizure list. I also weighed the capsule, but there is no mention at the spot he seized the vehicle or at police station. There is nothing mentioned. Not mentioned. And first part and very important. A GTLT was made regarding the PW6 lawsuit and the cross part. A GT&T was made regarding conducting the NACA checking. I do not remember the exact time of the seizure of the contraband. He's the informant. And we had charged about 4 or 5 vehicles, and the other witnesses say, PW1 says about 15 to 20 vehicles were charged. About 15 to 20 vehicles were charged. And Tata Sumo, Bolero, Tempo, during the NACA checking before the vehicle of the case was PW1 says about 15 to 20 vehicles was charged. But the informant says 4 and 5 vehicles on. I did not have the previous information, but my lord, very funny. I did not have any previous information that drugs were being transported in their vehicle. But they have FIR and PW1 not very clear. They got the prior information. Subsequently, they made GD&T and plus Nakaseki. I did not have any previous information. That's very, very funny. It is fact that I have not mentioned in my Ezehar and also in my previous statement, so. I had taken out 3 boxes outside the vehicle, and that I had handed over the accused and 3 boxes of contraband and the vehicle to the OC Gwalpara place, Inspector Devojit. We had set up a NACA checking near the civil hospital and not on the gates of hospital. The place of NACA checking was about 100 meters ahead of the hospital gate and towards again. There are many shops in front of the gates of the hospital. It is not a fact. Before conducting search, the seizure operation, I did not call any independent or respectable person of that area. They are in the very populated area, where the hospital gate and some other shop and some other permanent businessmen is there, but they have not intervened. Only 2 other witnesses, they are the driver of the another vehicle. But they came to the place of occurrence after 5 to 10 years. I had prepared the seizure list on the bonnet of my departmental vehicle. Very interesting. The earlier 2 witnesses, 3 witnesses, they put their signature at police station. Seizure list is prepared at police station. But he saying, informant said, I had prepared the seizure list on the bonnet of my departmental vehicle. I have prepared the seizure list about 1 hour of the sunset. But I did not call any gazetted officer to witness the recovery. Very clear, very clear. The person having no jurisdiction, he is not competent to take the conduct or make seizure. But he himself is deposed. I did not call any drug inspector to the spot after recovery was done. I did not mark in 3 boxes with serial numbers. That is also not done. I have not mentioned in the seizure list the total numbers of capsule found in each of the boxes. I have not mentioned the name of the manufacturer, trade, mark, etc. So these are the manufacturing product capsule, generic lotion. In either the seizure list or Ijahar or my previous statement under section 161 CRPC, I do not know from which place the accused had collected those 3 boxes of capsules. So initially it is the duty of the police from where this article has been carried and supposed where he is supposed to deliver it. There is nothing in this case what it is investigation. But otherwise the vital part of the investigation. I have not mentioned in my Ezehar the statement 161 CRPC as to where those capsules were being carried by the accused. I did not weigh the capsule and boxes separately. And I cannot state the exclusive weight of the capsules. I do not remember if I had seen the RC of the vehicle, but I have not mentioned in the seizure list that the RC was seized. So, my lord, one thing is very interesting, Lordship. The vehicle owner is different person. His name is Muruddin Ahmed. And RC is not seized. The vehicle is subsequently given delivery Zimma to the register owner, and he was not interrogated. But how can this vehicle is goes to the accused person? There is no any statement is recorded or any interrogated. And he should be the vital witness of this case. That because he is the register owner of the vehicle, and whether there is no any allegation brought against the accused person by the register owner, and even the police only this case has been registered. And subsequent question I'm coming there is no case at all against the accused person. But I have not mentioned the serial that the RC was sitting. And we did not have our body search. I not. Hello. Body search, yes, but not his exact physical position was not there. And witness before conducting the search of the vehicle. It is not a fact that the weight machine did not belong to the police station and that I did not seize it from any home guard. I did not seal pack the seized capsule and boxes at the place of seizure. So my lord, it's clear. That is the open condition. I did not prepare the sample of the seized capsule, and he is being the IO lordship investigating officer lordship. He did not prepare the sample also. And I did not prepare the inventory of the seized capsule. I did not prepare the sketch map of the place of occurrence. I do not know where the seized capsule were kept at the police station or under whose custody was it kept. This is important. Lordship. This is very important, Lordship. 55, I think. Lordship. 55, Lordship. Yes. 55. I have forgotten, but it's important. Yes. The police to take a charge of Article 6 and deliver from where kept. 55. And now, Lordship, Indadu Hussain is IO. And as per the investigation, Lordship, and his seek and cross, there is no case at all. And this witness is very vital, and after perusing this statement of the IO Lordship, there is no case at all. Now I'm coming back. The operating question, second paragraph, PW7 IO. During investigation, I found the informant PSI Nidu Moni Chaudhary and accused Moncherali at Goalpara police station. Notice for at police station. PSI Nidu Moni Chaudhary had handed over the 3 number of boxes dispersed at 10 capsule in open condition and 2 numbers of cigarettes. Very interesting. He is not the competent person. I then arrested the accused and produced him along with 2 numbers of seizure list and the seized capsules before the learned CGM Goalpara on that day itself. The accused was remanded to judicial custody and seizure list were seized by the learned CGM Goalpara. But on 29/3/2022, I also made a prayer under section 52 for that is the possible Lordship. Accordingly, I prepared the inventory of the seized contraband in presence of so and so. The inventory so and so. Prior to prepare the inventory, Lordship, what is the fact? Next, Lordship. The total capsule were 432. Total numbers of as per serial is 18 strips. Each strip Lordship 24 numbers of capsule and multiple 24 into 18 432 capsules. And I'm coming. And the further the photographs of the seized narcotic drugs were also taken in present solution. That is possible. Further, I also took 3 sets of sample of the seized capsule, and each sample consisted 1 strip. That is 24 capsule. 1 strip containing the 24 capsule. And and each sample weighed 80 grams and it were marked as sample S, G, and D, respectively. All total 72 capsules were taken into the so-and-so sample. Out of total 6 capsules, 472 are sent to this FSL, and out of 432. The remaining drugs weighing 342 grams was prepared and packed in brown packets so that we white so. After process certification was done, I have to provide the custody of inventory so. Thereafter, after observation of the necessary formalities, I sent the sample S. There is three samples we are kept there, the figure S, C, and D. On the S we are sent. For sample, they prepared three packets, but only S and G and D were not sent to for the FSM. Clear, for expert chemical analysis report and opinion through the office of SP Gwalpara. I also examined the witnesses of this case under section so. I visited the place of occurrence and prepared the raw sketch map and on receipt of the FSL report, I submitted the charge sheet taking the accused number, the accused under section 2050. Charge sheet was submitted earlier. I have already. And NDPS Act and also submitted the sample G. And the drugs. But here, for analysis, sent sample S. See. Yes, my lord, but they have out of 432. They prepared sample 3, S, G, and D for FSM. Subsequently, Lordship, and he stated that after the observation of the necessary formality, I sent sample S. Yes, Lordship, but now here he is saying again, he submitted sample G. So Lordship, for court. So there is the sample S is expert opinion, but G is sent for the court. For the expert opinion, Lordship 3, S was sent to the expert opinion for chemical analysis report. But in court, Lordship, they have submitted sample G. So that they have returned. The opinion is given upon sample S. But G is not referred to the forensic or analysis report. But they have submitted G. Yes, my lord, but sample is actually it should be sent to S. That because that is analysis report came from the FSM, so it should be sent to the local court with this. I am agree, but they have the lordship the 3 sample was prepared, but S is sent for FSL. FSL report came, and subsequently they also submitted sample G. Only G sent to the court with some subsequent. That is the discrepancy. Now, my lord, kindly come to the close part. It is a fact that I have not reflected in the case diary that inventory along with the photographs taking of sample were not taken done in presence of their Gwalpara. It is a fact, Lord. It is not a fact, no. It is fact. Yes. By me. And I do not know name of the messengers who had carried the sample from Gwalpara to FSL Guwahati. I did not record the statement of that messenger. That being the IO lordship, and each and every lordship, the process of the case lordship should be in hand of the IO lordship. But nothing. And I did not record the statement of the messenger so and so. There is no reflection in the case diary regarding the number of capsule tablets which were sent to FSM. Nothing. I have not reflected in the case diary the names of the specimen seen in the representation of sample. I have deposited the samples in the SP office Gwalpara for safe custody, but I cannot state the name of the person in whose custody the same was kept in the office. So it is the duty of the IO Lordship that because he is appeared to the Lordship, I have not submitted the copy of the Malkhana register so and so in the charge sheet. I have not recorded the statement of the in charge of the Gwalpara PS. I have prepared the inventory of 432 numbers of capsule. Today, I did not remember how many capsules were there in each of the packets. And I have not mentioned in the inventory as how too many capsules consisted in each of the samples. I did not record the statement of the Noor Islam, followed to be so and so, who is the register on our vehicle. And under section 100 CRPC, the seizure list does not mention the total weight of the capsule. During investigation, the seized vehicle was handed over to the register owner as per the order of the Landed Court. I did not try to inquire during the investigation as the register owner of that vehicle was. And I appear that the word capsule is written in the miscase diary by Whitener, and in some places word tablets is written. Somewhere and the place of occurrence was shown to me by Constable Dhananjay Rava, not by a Christian. Dhananjay Rava, he is the another police person. Stop. The place of occurrence was shown by me by Constable Dhananjay Rava, not by the. It should be led by the accused. And it is not a fact that I did not prepare the sketch map at the place of occurrence. And I have inquired with the shopkeepers near the place of occurrence, but they could not state anything regarding the occurrence. It is not without visiting the place of occurrence, so. Now, Lordship, if one particularly and it comes to Lordship, then the inventory. Just initially I have submitted out this forensic. So, my lord, apparently the after calculation, Lordship, that is fall under. So, my lord, from the statement of the other witnesses, Lordship, and all the witnesses on accepting witness, Lordship, they are unaware about this figure, and they put their signature in police station, and all they are the stuff. And as per this, the Lordship of NDPS and Lordship, seizure list should be prepared in the spot, in presence of the witnesses, and it should be seated. But all these are carried by the police personnel without accompanied to any other independent witness in their vehicle, Lordship, and kept in the police station of Bell. Subsequently, the OC prepared the seizure list and put their signature. Even then, some independent witness and even the witness number 1, he does not know what things were the cartoon. So it is a fit case, Lordship, to acquit the accused person. Otherwise, he is in custody about 3 years. 2 years, 11 months, 26 days. And Lordship, on section 42. And judgment or NDPS? Sometimes also the section 42 and related to section 43 and 50 is come together, clap together sometimes. Lordship, which Lordship, first, second, third, Lordship, and 42 and 43, Lordship, in first place. Two different situations. Section 42 contemplates entry into the charge of any building, conveyance, or enclosed place, where section 43 contemplates of seizure made in any public place or in transit. Hence, section 42 has no application, but Lordship can come to Lordship page, next page, Lordship 119 middle portion, Lordship. Big para, Lordship. Para 19. 190 page, Lordship. Next page. In middle portion, Lordship. That's property portion. In fact of this case, Lordship, on appeal of the respondent, the High Court held that they were entitled to equitable view of the fact that the mandatory requirements of section 50 and section 42 of NDPS Act were not complied with. The High Court held that the provisions of section 50 of the NDPS Act applied, and before searching the vehicle and the accused had to be informed of his right and charge of the charge in the presence of the magistrate or gazetted officer. The different treaty. This is not in a way that when you think it's Lordship, exact Lordship, but Lordship, the person who investigates, there is the anomaly that because the person, yes, well, that's definitely here in this case. And another Lordship, it is Sarija Banu Lordship. Para number 7. It is pertinent to note that in the bail application of the appellants, it was alleged that there was a serious violation of section 42 of NDPS Act. In the impugn order, nothing is stated about the alleged violation of section so. But and it is observed that it was not necessary to consider such violation at this stage. The compliance of the section 42 is mandatory, and that is a relevant fact which should have engaged in the attention of the court while considering the bail application. So 42 is violation is here in the court. And another is Lordship Carnage in Lordship. Paragraph Lordship and page number 543. Two Lordship. Paragraph 2, page number 543. In view of the conflicting the opinions regarding the scope and applicability of section 42 of the Act, in the matter, the conducting charge, seizure, and arrest without warrant or authorization, these appeals were placed before the Constitution bench for result issue. So, my lord, the without authorization, that means the person who arrested and seized the particles and vehicle, he without any authorization, that because they got the information prior to say place the Nakasaki, but without authorization, they did it. So 42 is valid. And otherwise, what should be heard? And here, Lord, this is one element. Lordship, 42. Para number 5 and 14, Lordship. 14. I have marked. 42 only? Lordship, 42. Yes. Real Lordship for page number 14, Lordship. 6, 3, page number 3, Lordship. 3, Lordship. And 14, number 14, and above 7. Furthermore, in the case in hand, the accused were present in a jeep on a public spot, and in such circumstances, the provision of section 43 not of 42 of the act come into play. public place was, that was the public place. So 43 is also valid. And as per the explanation of section 43 of the act, the public place including the conveyance also. And section 43 of the contempt and seizure made in the public place or in transit. As such, the section 42 of the act is not applicable of the fact of the present case. But here in this case, section 43, they sleep in vehicle in a public place in national highway. So there is 43 is also violated here, but without authorization also there are 42 violation and there is 43 violation. And very clearly we have in this case also. And one more reference is in this case also. And Lordship, kindly come to para number, page number 4. Page number 4. Lordship, bottom Lordship, bottom Lordship, A, B, Lordship. The officer of receiving the information of the nature referred to the subsection 1 of section 42 from any person like to record in writing in register concern and forward this send a copy to immediate official superior before the proceeding take action in terms of so my not 42 is gross violation of. They have nothing did anything as for procedural NDPS. So and other Lordship. Page number 5, Lordship, 14. Last bottom Lordship, third case. What section 42 requires that where an officer takes down information in writing under subsection 1, he shall send a copy thereof the immediately superior officer, senior officer. There is nothing they did. And Lordship, prior to the above Lordship T, and there is very elaborately explained here Lordship in this paragraph. T. Above Lordship 14, 11, T. While total non-compliance of the requirement of subsection 1 of the subsection 2, section 43 is impermissible, delay compliance with the satisfactory of explanation about the delay will be acceptable. Compliance with section 42. The illustrated chance of delay may result the accused escaping or goods or evidence being destroyed or removed, not recording in writing information received. There is nothing, if there is any apprehension by the police, this type of statement has not been recorded by the IOL. Receive. Before initiating action or non-sending a copy of such information to the official superior for tweet may not be treated as violation of section 42. But if the information was received when the police officer was in police station with sufficient time to take action, and if the police officer fails to record in writing information received or fails to send a copy thereof to the official superior, then it will be a suspicious circumstances being a clear violation of section 42. Very clear. And similarly, where the police officer does not record the information at all and does not inform the official superior at all, then also it will be clear violation of section 42 of the act. And whether there is an adequate or substantial complaints of the section 42 or not so and so. So, in my case, Lordship, in section 42 and section 43 is also there, and all gross violation. And 14, Lordship, the section also required to have similarly, Lordship. This is squarely cover my case, Lordship. Page number 29 and page number 6. Just for a moment, para 12. The evidence in present case clearly shows that the vehicle was not public convenience and the part was a vehicle belonging to the accused Gurdeep Singh, so and so, certificate of the vehicle, so and so. So here is the section 42 and 43, lordship is squarely covered and violation. Very clear, lordship. This case is squarely covered. So, and he is in custody, lordship in jail. So kindly we acquit this case, lordship. And the register owner of the vehicle is not interrogated. Quickly on that.
My lord. My lord, yesterday my learned colleague called me over phone and also requested through SMS also that today this matter is here. We have also that part in when I was in defense, my lord. But my lord, the true fact is that I was unable to go through the entire, my lord, LCR, my lord, in this regard, because my lord, the first time the regarding the quantity, that is the weight of the matter is there, and rest part is regarding the, my lord, authority letter. That is where is the 41, 42, or 43, which is applicable. So, my lord, I have recorded everything what my learned friend has stated. If my lord short date is provided, in the meanwhile, I'm not taking so much of time. I will submit my part, my lord, and I will take a very short time because I have recorded everything. Only what I have found is that only there are two things are there. Only one part is the measurement, because my lord, in the judgment in the para 33, learned trial judge has stated is a 342 gram. But my lord, I have also, yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. And my lord, yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. I am taking only 10 minutes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Only I want to go through once.
At 2 p.m.
Well, maybe taken as a part heart, my lord. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, my lord.
Hope I have
My one little submission, lordship. And if lordship is not available, that it will be difficult, that because another bench will come, that it will take more time, lordship. And again, it will be hard. Next week, I don't know tomorrow, lordship. Monday. Monday, I don't know whether there or my bench will be there. 27th also, I don't know whether my bench will be there or not. Convenience, otherwise, it will be. Not Kali, but you are. 10 minutes only. Last item. As last item, only 10 minutes, my friend. 10 minutes time. As last item. Kali, file unique. File you can't. Ante mo atum na last item.
I have. Oh, my lord. I will go through that, my lord. Then.
Yes, last item. Lord. More you'll be able to repeat.
My lord, if my lord other matters are there, my lord, then my lord, it will be, my lord, better if in a, my lord, this is a, my lord, hearing that, my lord, then it will be better, my lord.
Don't keep that.
My lord, my lord, my lord.
So then, that also you will have lost. If my bench is not there, you have